Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I apologize for the delay. I was updating you in the live chat, as I always do. If there's an issue, I update you through the live chat. Well, today is a very special day. Because first of all, we're at the Oscars, and we've got a special announcement to make, a special award to make, but also, for the very first time today on the show, can anyone tell me what's special about today? We do have something very special today. I've got a few issues. It's just, unfortunately, some of the systems are down the day I decided to do something like this. We've got a couple of issues, but unfortunately, there's a few issues with our main server and website. But hopefully things will be up and running shortly. We do have a few technical issues. As you can see, the ticker's not showing underneath, but hopefully that will correct itself shortly. Okay, so does anyone know we got a special announcement to make? Plus, we've also got something that's happening with the stream. Oh, hang on, I can see it coming in now. It's taking some time. Just bear with me. This is frustrating. The day I wanted to do something special, we're having some errors, but I don't know if it's going to work. How typical was that? How typical was that? Such a big day, and in the transition, we've got some technical issues. Oh well. I don't think I'm going to be able to play the ticker. Let's leave that for the moment. Okay, so. How many people got in with me right now? You are the very first to see this. Hopefully this will work. Let me just double check it's working before I ask anyone to do it. Right. This has never been done like this before. We've tried it a few times and it's never really worked. But hopefully today it's working. So let me double check. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. So here we go. We are now broadcasting in full 4K. That's the first announcement. There's something even bigger than that, but I'm excited about this. We are broadcasting now for the very first time in 4K. Now you can check this if you go underneath the video where you're watching, mobile or on your main or computer, you can see it's in 4K. Look at that. We are broadcasting now in 4K. Full 4K. Look at that. All right, you can click on that or it'll automatically do it, and you should get extreme detail. Look at that. That should look, if you're on a 100-inch screen, it should look fantastic. All right, so there you go. We're now broadcasting for the first time ever completely. We've tried it before a few times, but never really been successful. But today we're broadcasting in 4K. So can you all go and check it on your mobile device or your main computer? You can go onto the video, click the cogs, or your iPad or whatever you might be doing, and hopefully you'll get the experience. Unfortunately, some of the issues aren't showing at the moment. We're going through a transition, and a couple of things aren't showing up, but hopefully they will shortly. But anyway, we'll keep you updated with all those things. All right. So let's see who's in the chat. So can you see a difference? It should sound better. It should look better. I got it. Great. Fantastic. You can see it. So now you could watch me on a 100-inch screen, and this should look fantastic. The idea is YouTube is going more into a TV broadcast channel, which is kind of what I've been building all this time. So anyway, it looks the same as before. It looks the same as before, 4K. Well, no, before it was Ultra HD, and now it's 4K, so it's double the size. There are double the amount of pixels on the screen. it should be even better. Let me read the comments. Stock market is going to sell off today before the 3 weekend. The reason why it's selling off today, let me explain. PPI is coming in hot. This is the breaking news this morning. I haven't had a chance to talk about yet. So here it is. This is the PPI. So this is why we're going to have a bit of a sell-off today. So let me cover this now for you. Okay. Let me do this first. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We could have quite a red day today for 2 reasons. First of all, it's a long weekend. We've got no show on Monday. The market is closed on Monday, but that's not the big reason. The big reason is, on top of a huge rally, we've had a huge rally, all-time highs for the S&P, but no, that still isn't the reason. This is the reason. Have you tapped the like button? Have you subscribed? Okay, then I'll tell you. This is the reason why we'll probably get a red day today, particularly on the bell. PPI, producers' prices for final demand in the US were up 0.3 month over month in January, the biggest increase in 5 months, following a 0.1 decline in December, and compared to forecasts of 0.1. Cost of services rose 0.6, the largest increase since July, led by a 2.2 gain in prices for hospital outpatient care, cost of chemicals and allied products wholesaling, machinery and equipment wholesaling, portfolio management, traveler accommodation services, and legal services also moved higher. On the other hand, prices of goods declined 0.2, the 4th consecutive drop led by 3.6 fall in gas. Prices for electric power, hay seeds, oil seeds, beef and veal, ethanol, and iron and steel scrap also move lower. Year on year, producer prices rose 0.9, slightly less than 1% in December, but above expectations. So there's some good news in there and there's some bad news in there. But because we've got a long weekend and because we've got such a rally recently, this is some negativity, right? There could be some selling off of the markets. Now, that's great. That suits me because I want to own more. All right. We all want to own more of what we want to invest in. So for me, I got no more money on hand until the 21st of February when I get paid from YouTube. So I'm hoping that we get a 10% drop. And if we do, I'll buy more. Because what does that mean if we get a 10 or 20 or 30% drop? As we've made new to all-time highs, they will come back again. Because over history, since the beginning of time on the stock market, if we set new highs and then we have a pullback, a sell-off, macro conditions, a crash, COVID, wars, whatever, we go down dramatically, but we always come back more than we were before. So if you're in certain stocks with high risk, certain stocks with high debt, they're going to drop today. Things like Virgin Galactic, of course, I would expect. Should we have a quick look at that? And let's see if I'm right. Yeah, Virgin Galactic is down 2.6%. So we can see that. But for stocks without debt, it won't be as badly affected. But stocks with debt, they'll get pummeled today. Things like FFIE and Mullen and all these things will get absolutely destroyed today. However, this is great if you're an investor, because you can buy the dip and then it will rise back above where it is today or where it was before we got this news out. So it's good news potentially. I like the red days. The red days is when I make money. The green days, I just sit and look at it and go, well, that looks nice. That's about it. So there you go. There's the breaking news today. Click above my head for more information, down below in the description, over here and over here. And if you look down here, you'll find my music channel. I'm the World Piano Man. I have a concert tonight. I have tributes every day, special music. Go and check me out because I have another voice, a singing voice with a piano. You might want to go and check that out. And today, for the very first time, we are streaming in 4K. Click underneath the video, look at the cogs, set it to 4K, and hopefully you can now watch me on a giant TV screen in your house. We aim to be the best, always providing the best services, the best quality, and the most honest, most live channel on YouTube TV and Rumble. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do PPI. That will go out later. All right. Fight Channel, good morning. Eric B, good morning. I'm here watching from Nigeria. I got it. Right. Now then. Okay, we've got a special announcement to make. So let me do a few things. Okay. All right. Okay, fantastic. The stocks are going down. We're watching closely, keeping our eye on everything. Welcome, everybody. Let me look in the chat. What other comments have we had? Thanks, Ed. It looked the same as before. It shouldn't do. It should be twice as rich. The video and audio should be twice as rich. There's twice the amount of data. Cheers, Mike. You won't notice it until you watch it on a really big screen, perhaps. Look at the chat, Ed. Look at the chat, Ed. What's going on? No magical $9 news for Sidhu yet. No, exactly, Martini Racer. No doubt about that. Martini Racer agreed. Hello, all. Henrik, good morning to you. Hello, Martini. Glad to see you here. Wonderful. To watch out, it's on Discord. Hate200. Thank you very much. We'll try every morning before 8 a.m. Today was 7:30. Thank you, Ed. Fuel Fusion. Watch that today. More Money. Ed Nevius. We can't confirm that. I don't think More Money's a member. No, More Money's not a member, so we can't verify that information. Let me just go over to the main trading screen a minute. Virgin Galactic, as you can see, has gone down. What else has moved down today? We'll come back to that in a moment. Nice bounce, risk-free. Greg, Rycheck. Good morning. Told you DWAT will merge. TMTG ticker will be DJT. Greg, Rycheck, thank you ever so much, Greg. Love to have you here watching on Facebook. What happens with the market? Well, as we just explained, it's PPI. PPI, that's what's caused the market to drop. And they could go a lot lower for stocks with high risk and high debt. So watch out for that. Okay. Let me just do this now. I've got a message here from Dawn Podderus. You're going to like this. Replying a share. Whoops. Share the link, please. Okay, got that. Let me just double click a couple of things. Are we all up to date? Have I answered everyone's question? I think I have so far. Welcome to all my guests on TikTok this morning. How you doing? Click the star. You can message me then. Become one of my subscribers. I will reply back to all my messages and make videos for you. Okay. No one has mentioned the 4K. Has anyone noticed? Look under the video and click the cogs. You should see a better experience, especially if you're watching on a big screen TV and it's a 4K TV. You should notice a big difference. By the way, thank you ever so much, everybody. We've just gone over 16,300 subscribers. Look at that. Continually, literally about 1,000 a week now. On average, sometimes a bit less, sometimes a bit more. But anyway, there we go. Okay. Excellent. Right. Okay. Let me just double check this. Now then, today we got some reviews to do as well. Some special announcements as well. Something very special is about to happen. Is Mike in the chat? is Fight Channel in the chat. We have got this morning a big announcement to make. I've decided to make the announcement of who has won the best trophy during a live show. So during a live show, I'm going to announce the winner. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to announce the winner of the best trophy. I was going to make a video, but I decided actually it would be better if I actually did it live. Okay. And I'm going to explain how this has happened. All right. So get ready in the chat. Who is going to win? Who is going to win the best trophy this year? Remember, there will be very few of these. It's only one a year. It's only one a year. So who is it going to be? Does anybody have any idea whatsoever? All right. Has anybody got any ideas who it might be? I tell you what, we'll have a little bit of fun in the chat. Start commenting in the chat and guess who might have won the best trophy this year. Now, the best trophy, I'll bring it up on the screen. I'll show you what it looks like. We have it, and it's got one name on it at the moment. The name on it at the moment is Mike. Mike won the first year. Now, this is for 2023. This is the best trophy. I'm going to put on the screen right now so you can see it. Here it comes. Here is the best trophy. Okay, this is it here. That's the trophy, and it's got one name on it, Mike 2022. So it's gonna have it's gonna have another name on there. Is it gonna have Mike again for 2023, or is somebody else? Who do you think it is? Now, before I announce the winner, I want you to know a few things of how I picked the winner. It's very difficult because there are so many people that do so many things for this channel. But I want you to know a couple of things. First of all, it's got nothing to do with how much money you tip. It's got nothing to do with how much money you tip. It's got nothing to do with if you are a bronze, silver, gold sponsorship level. It's got nothing to do with that. You can't buy to win. Okay? It's not about who pays the most. It's not about any of that. It's about the person who is engaged the most across everything. So if you watch every single show, you get points for that. My analytics picks it up and I can see how many times you've watched, how many times you've liked, how many times you've shared, how many times you've commented. But remember, it's not just YouTube. We also have Facebook. We also have Rumble. We also have Instagram, Threads, and X. So who has engaged the most across everything? So who has done the most? Well, last year, Mike was the winner. Our very first trophy went to Mike last year. And this year has been very difficult to choose a winner. We're growing and growing, and we get more support to the channel. And Mike has been commenting on everything. He's been commenting on X every single day. He comments every single day. He shares every single day. He likes. So is Mike going to win again? Fight Channel has been doing it every day. He's been making videos on his Barbie channel, but that doesn't count though, because as great as that is, we don't use that. That's his channel. But he's been commenting and he's been sharing every single post. Like Mike, Fight Channel has shared every single post on X. But there's somebody else in the frame. In fact, there's about 20 people in the frame. Somebody else has been doing that on X, but also been doing it on Facebook, and also been doing it on Instagram. So do you know who that is? Is it Mike? Is it Fight Channel? Is it somebody else? Well, we're about to announce the winner of 2023, the most engaged member on our channel, the person who has shared most things, liked most things, commented to most things. I'm now going to put him on the screen because we have him in the phone. We have him on the phone line. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this year's best trophy is Jason Fallon. How are you, Jason?
Hey.
It's great to have you here. Jason is calling in from Australia. I called him just before the show so he could be ready on the phone to accept the trophy. Here he is. Jason, thank you for all your support. Everything everything you do, I've noticed, because I reply and like to everything, as you know I do. All the Instagrams, all the X's, all the Facebooks, plus you're here on YouTube every day through the night because it's 24 hours away over there in Australia and all the rest of it. So, Jason, thank you for your support, mate.
Always.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have won the trophy this year. You're going to get this trophy here. I'm going to put your name underneath it. So it's going to say Jason 2023. So what I'd like you to do is if you can send me a private message with your address, please, I will send that off to you in the mail. And then if you can send a picture, that would be great.
Fantastic. I'll sort that all out. Not a problem.
There you go, mate. Hang on, what's it saying? We've got Jenny. Congratulations, Jason. Should we get a speech from Jason, like the Oscars? I think we should. The winner of this year's prize. Come on, Jason, give us a speech, mate. Give us a speech. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, Jason, welcome Jason to the stage. Here he is. Come on, everybody. Big round of applause. Go. There it is.
Well, first of all, I'd just like to thank myself. Nah, I think I've said it plenty of times. It's all thanks. It's straight to you. I won't get too much into it because I probably will get a bit emotional, but yeah, basically. So I think 16 months now being a gold member. I'm not levels or whatever, but just stumbling across the channel and yeah, I don't think
Hasbro to the top of the list.
That's hard to explain, to be honest. Some people might think it's weird, but that's fine. Yeah, I'm not a big talker, to be honest, but it just being able to deal with money and being able to save and plan and that kind of stuff was a real problem, and that's obviously how I found your channel and trying to work out what I was going to do. Was I going to be able to, can I have a house, that kind of thing? And I was thinking, how can I have some money, the future? I've got a 5-year-old daughter. Yeah, so I'm not real big at speeches, but I just jump on, support the channel, and try to do everything I can so somebody else, maybe in my situation, can find your channel and they can do the same thing, and then you will get to those 10 million subscribers. And yeah, the prizes don't matter. It's cool. I don't really win anything, so and I just do it because I want to do it. There's nothing else to it, really. Yeah.
Well, Jason, you've won today, and you spent a whole year, tagging everything, liking everything, commenting on everything, posting on everything on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, X. Thank you so much indeed. This is a family. We're all here, even though we're all around the world, virtually speaking to each other through camera lenses. It's real people, and that's why every single day, I said to Leah yesterday, I'm going to put a screen up somewhere in the house with a subscriber count so I can watch it all the time. Now, that sounds ridiculous, but it's real people. Every time that rolls round, that's another person. And,
Because you think of it as impacting another person. That's how I see it.
There it is again, look. Another 2 there, look.
Yeah. I just sort of took over. Yeah. Yeah, so I guess, yeah, it's a channel for information, it's a channel for family, it's a channel for chatting to people, it's a channel for everything. We all have different opinions, different views that have had some not so pleasant people of late, but it's still, different views, and having different opinions is good, I would say, but yeah, basically variety and yeah.
Well, Jason, thank you for a call. What time is it over there in Australia right now?
It's 12 a.m. Just ticked over 12 a.m.
12 a.m. Well, thank you ever so much for calling in and being able to call in. Thank you for everything you've done, and I'm here for you and everyone. Everyone has a voice. Everyone has someone to talk to. Anyone can call in and have a question answered. Sometimes we're right, sometimes we're wrong, but we're always there for each other. And it's my ambition and my goal to build the best, most honest channel in the world. 10 million subscribers is my target. $1 million on the portfolio, and I can see the path is clear. I woke up this morning. What?
You sure you can do that with the S&P? No,
What, 1 million?
I'm just joking.
You were challenging me there, weren't you?
No.
Yeah, definitely. But I woke up this morning, and every morning it's hard to get out of bed, 6 a.m. in the morning, and I can't just stumble in. I have to put the suit and tie and have a shave, get everything ready. And every morning I said, Leah said, it's 12 years. It's going to take 12 years to get to $1 million. That's kind of that'll be our pension. I said, babe, 12 years, but it's not 12 years of just sitting around now. It's not going to do itself. It's 12 years of me putting 10 hours a day in. Are you with me? And she said, yeah, I'm with you every step of the way. So she made me a nice cup of tea again this morning. Here it is. And I'm going to sit here all day for 12 hours again, like yesterday, and keep doing it. And
my mug's in the dishwasher, I think.
Is it the dishwasher, is it? Brilliant. Jason, thank you. Thank you for your friendship. It's just lovely to know that I've got a friend on Australia. And one day, I've been to Australia. I'll go again. And I might knock on your front door and say, oi, how you doing, mate? Do you want a beer down the pub?
Absolutely. I'll buy you the beers. Don't worry about that.
Hey.
Can I just a quick mention to, while I'm in the spotlight, Sensei Crypto.
Yeah.
I'm a supporter of his Discord as well, and I just would a quick shout out to him as well. Very similar impact to you. I thought I'd just mention his name while I had the spotlight on me.
I'm sure he will appreciate that, and I'll make sure that he sees this video as well. So thank you. Yeah, he does it for the same reasons as me.
And Mike as well. Mike as well. Sorry, and Bill, and all the originals, all those ones that were here before even I was here. Yeah.
Yeah, Mike probably thought he got it because he watches every video, he likes everything on X, he comments, he shares, he does everything. Bless poor old Mike. He didn't get his name 2 years in a row. He was hoping for that, but you did it. You also did it on Facebook and X. Maybe Mike's going to go, right, I'm on Instagram now. It'll get even harder next year.
No, well, it's just when you jump in the chat and you say, g'day, everybody, g'day, fam. I say, g'day, the Australian way. And then, Bill will say, g'day, and Mike will be the first to reply. And it's just, I thought I'd mention their names. And it's appreciated,
It means as much
after
to
a
them.
long day and then waiting till midnight for your stream to start. And then,
oh, my God.
Yeah,
it means the same to them as it does to you. I know Bill and Mike. We had somebody come on once. It was horrible. Someone said, like Mike, when he won last year, oh, what a loser. He's got too much time on his hands. And Mike explained he's a busy person. He just chooses to fit this in with his life because it means that much to him. It's not just sitting all day, with nothing else to do. He's a busy person. Like everybody is here, but they make it fit in their lives. You could have it on a TV while you're walking around your house or on your phone or whatever. And Mike, loves the channel and loves the community and the family. So, Jason, I've got to get back to the show now. Thank you so much for being in here. I hope we have, we'll stay friends for the next 30 years. And anyway.
You'll forget us. You'll forget us when you're at 10 million. You'll be
I
like,
won't.
I don't remember that guy.
Well, do you know what I'm going to have to do? Because it's getting harder and harder to comment to the questions and reply to everybody. You can filter it. You can say comments now for only bronze members or silver members. I wish YouTube would have a facility where they could say chat for only the original members. So maybe the last year or 2 years, you could set it. That way you can always, there's got to be a way. I'm going to speak to them about that, because you can filter with membership levels, but that means people who are bronze would get missed out. So I don't want to do it that way. But if there's a way you can filter the chat so it's the original members, like the people that were 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, that way, because I want to make sure when we are 10 million subscribers, because it will happen, that I'm still talking to the people that were here on day one. Do you know what I mean? Otherwise, that really would be upsetting to me.
Yeah, I think people would understand. I think that's the whole point. Eventually, you will ignore us because you won't have time. And that's the whole point.
That
we're having this conversation.
That will never
Sharing
happen. That will never happen. And I know that from experience as touring the world as the world piano man. When every time I did a theatre show anywhere around the world, before and after the show, I was out the front of in the foyer where you meet people. And my producer, people that were working with me, said, Martyn, you should do that, because if you want to be a big star, you've got to act like a big star. You can't be hanging around the front and hanging out the back. I said, I'm going to be at the front and the back on every show because people have come to see me and I want to say hello. I literally want, and I would sign everybody's card until the list was gone. Sometimes the show started late because of that, but I always did it, and I will always be here for everybody because you've built the show, not me. Jason, I got to go. Love you to bits. Be safe over there in Australia today. Take care of yourself, mate.
Appreciate everything you do, man.
Bye-bye.
Appreciate
Love you all. Cheers. Bye-bye. There's Jason Fallon. There we go. The winner this year of the best trophy 2023. Who will win next year? Will Mike come back and go, hang on a minute, I'm going to make sure that I've liked everything on Instagram and Facebook as well? Or is Mike going to go, I can't keep up with Jason? Jason going to win, or will there be somebody new next year that does even more? Who knows? Well, there it is. There's the winner of the best trophy of 2023. Congratulations, Jason. Okay. I just need to, how am I going to put this down now? So that was at 30 minutes. 30 means winner. Who is the winner of 2023 Best Trophy? Who's been our most engaged fan of the show? Well, we're about to find out as we go all the way down under to Australia. And now on with that part of the video. Okay, I'll put that out and I'll join it all up later on. Okay. Let me read some of the comments I may have missed. Let's have a look. People were guessing who's going to win. We had Mike, we had Bill, MSK. Put that cookie down now. MSK is the winner. Jenny said, Jason, Mike said, yay, there you go. Mike was happy. That was our winner. Mike, are you available to call in? I would love to have Mike call in before we got time before the bell goes. Mike, can you call in? I'd love to get your reaction to that because you were the winner last year. So, Mike, could you call in at all, possible? Congratulations, Jason. Eric B, congratulations, Jason. Super Chat, please put Hasbro to the top of the list. I missed it. Here we go. Have we got any likes on Lance Strent's comment? No, we haven't. Let me just do that. By the way, today, for the very first time, we are broadcasting in 4K. You should notice on a big screen TV, if you look below the video on the cogs, you can actually see it in 4K. Now, we've tried it a few times, but this is now that we've got it right now. So go and check that out. Here we go. Hasbro, Lance Strength. Okay. It'll be number 2 after Fisker. There we go. Hasbro. That's $10. That's right up there. Right up there. That's just behind Fisker. Hasbro. And that is for Lance. Lance Strength. GTH. All right. GTH. Lance Strength. Okay. That's there. Jason, you were my 20th pick. Great job, brother. MSK. Engage on YouTube. Congratulations, Jason. Congratulations, Steve Wally. Congratulations, Mike. If you can call in, Mike, that'd be great. Congratulations, MSK. Will be nice to see your name on the cup. There you go. Good morning, guys. Sam. Sidhu, yes, we do. Speech. Yeah, he did. He did in the end. Congratulations, Yardstick. Oh, I've got your email. I just haven't replied to it yet. I've not missed it. I will reply to you, Yardstick. Thank you. Jadestick, sorry. I will reply to your email. Congratulations. Cheers, mate. Congratulations, Jason. Go on, Jason. Are you interested in making money? Please answer yes. Gangamong. Yeah, we all want to make money, mate. Fusion Fuel Cell plus today. More money. Taylor, I'm in the same situation with a 6-year-old girl. Just found the channel 2 weeks ago. Jason Fallon. Taylor Whaler. I love that. We're all here for everybody, mate. Don't worry. Congratulations, Jason. I wonder what it'd be like to do Friday, payday. Thanks, Leah. There's Mike. Yes, indeed. Congratulations, Rallo1. Did we have a birthday today? Did we have a birthday? I want to make sure. Did we have a birthday today that I might have missed? If so, let me know. I think I may have seen something. Congratulations, Jason. Queen of celebrating. Right, I'm leaving the channel. Not. The original. The originals. Hi, Mike. Hi, Queen. Don't fly too much. Try to get to 20,000 first. We'll be at 20,000 by our anniversary. Which is in a couple of months' time. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Jason is the master mason, and appreciate him because I was in the home building business and know he works hard. That's great. I am unforgettable. The originals. Yes, we will have. We need a club for the original members, people that have been a member for the first 2 years, something like that. Happy Friday, Martin. Love the channel. Moy Guzman. Mike, sorry about all that. Says Jason Fallon. MSK. Mike, that's for the gold member that's for the gold member that wanted it. That's for the gold member that wanted it, Lance Strength. What do you mean? I'm sorry, I'm not sure what you mean. GoDB. GoDB, you in the chat. I've got something for you. GoDB. Right, GoDB. Here we go. GoDB. It is, so what we do, GoDB, this is for you. I've got a gift for you. It's not a gift exactly, but if you go to the channel and you search like this, at the top in the search bar, and you type PDD into the chat. So Martyn Lucas PDD. What do you get? I tell you what you get. You get PDD stock. Oh, hang on a minute. I did that 2 months ago. 2 months ago. But I've also done it again. Whoops-a-daisy. Hang on. I've just done it again. Where is it? I've just done it again. Where is it showing up? PDD. Hang on a minute. I've just done it again. It should be right at the top. Hang on a second. Where is it? It should be right at the top. Mike's on the phone. We got Mike. Let me stick him there right a minute. We'll have Mike on the phone in just a second. Just stand by, Mike. PDD. It should be showing up. 2 months ago. Martyn Lucas Investor. Let me try that. Don't know why that hasn't come up. PDD. There it is. There it is. Right, you asked for the Super Bowl. Right, so this is for you. So GoDB, if you want to put a super thanks underneath it to promote it, remember I've explained that before, how that works. If YouTube get a bit of a commission, that obviously are incentivized to suggest the video because they make money. There is your video. You said you wanted the Super Bowl on it. Temu. You wanted that the focus of Temu. So there it is. Let me give that to you now in the chat. There you go. That's GoDB. Let me take that off the list. Is Morten Hagen here? Paul Knowles. Paul Knowles is here as well. You asked for HIMX. HIMX. This was what you asked for. I made you your video. There is your video. Same thing for you. I will give you the share copy. There you go. There is your video. Whoops, daisy. There it is. Hi, Max. Let me give that to Paul Knowles. Let me give it to you twice so you can see it. Let me take Paul Knowles off the list. Is Ranveer Lavosia here? Morten Hagen, Bill Oberkirsch, John McGilvery, Tokars Charles, or Michelle? If any of you are here, please do let me know in the chat. Okay. Right then. Mike. We've got Mike on the phone. Mike, if you could turn your phone around on its side, if possible. If not, don't worry. Let's bring Mike on the show. Here he is. Last year's winner. Commiserations, Mike.
I'm so upset. I can't believe it. Hey, congratulations, Jason. You did a great job, man.
He did. I mean, on Instagram and Facebook, he did everything. Well, Mike, you know what you got to do now. You got to get your trophy back, right? Now, I know you already spend like 18 hours a day liking everything. There's his trophy. Turn it around. Let me see it. There it is. There it is. You're the best. Turn it around so we see your name on it. Let me see your name on it. Show us the back.
Damn phones.
Yeah, it's hard, isn't it? I know how hard it can be. Right. There it is, the winner, Mike. We just saw it there. There it is, Mike. You can't do it, can you, mate?
I'm too old.
So what you need to do now, you need to get your mum on the case, right? So you're doing what you're doing, and then she's sitting there on Instagram and Facebook.
Oh. See, I've seen you on Instagram. I have an account, but I never follow you on Instagram or Facebook.
Lazy.
I Facebook.
Yeah, lazy. See?
Yeah, I'm lazy.
This is why you lost. This is why you didn't get the trophy.
No hard work. You know.
See, you threw it away. It was yours to lose, and you couldn't be asked.
Yep, I wasted it. I wanted that so bad.
And see, brilliant.
You know, everything's great. I'm glad Jason did it, and like I said, he's a brickmate or a master mason, and I know that he works hard. Yeah. And so to stay up at 12 o'clock at night till what, 1 or 2, and watch the show and do all this, that's amazing. He deserves it.
Yeah, he does. He does indeed. Mike, we're only a few minutes away from the bell. I just wanted to get you on the show today. Absolutely brilliant. Thanks for calling in, mate.
Yeah, no problem. See you guys.
There's Mike. I'm so glad that Mike was able to call in. Wasn't that brilliant? There you go. Maybe you'll get it back next year. Who knows? XRP said, is that Mike 166A? Yes, that is Mike. That is Mike in the chat. He's here every single day. Yes, he's one of our original members. He's got a gold badge. He's a moderator. He's been here since the very, very beginning. There you go. All right. Now then. Okay. Now then. We also need to do an upgrade as well. So as the show grows, we need to add more moderators to the show. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're about to add another moderator. In fact, we've got 2 moderators to add today. We've not added a moderator to the channel for a very, very long time. And I'm about to add 2 new moderators. Have I got time? I've got 9 minutes, yeah. I'm just checking all the numbers here. Just bear with me a second. Hang on a minute. Where's it gone? Okay, we've got 2. Here we go. So I'm adding. Can anyone see who I've added as a moderator? So I'm about to add 2 moderators. So you will get a wrench now so you can moderate my channel. Please take it responsibly. It's a very important role. You're able to block people and do all sorts of things. So, okay. I'm adding 2. So what you can do now is if you comment again, you will see if you've got, I haven't done it yet, so just bear with me. You will see if your name gets a badge, if your name gets a moderator badge on it. Okay? I haven't done it yet, just bear with me. We need 2 more moderators. Now, please don't take it personally if I don't make you a moderator. Okay. Right. It's been done now. If you comment, you will see that you've got a moderator badge. Your name will turn blue. You will have a badge. You will have a moderator badge, and it means you can moderate the channel. I add from time to time. We need a couple of more, so it's a responsibility being a moderator. I've just added 2, so let's see who the second one is. You can see who they are. Their names will turn blue with the moderator wrench, and there's 2 been added. So if you want to find out if you are a moderator, you just comment in the chat, and you'll see your name will have turned blue. All right? Okay. I periodically do it. All right. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Morning, Sea Lover. Give Jason a secondary prize of 10 shares of Tilray. Dave Mottram is back. Hey, Dave Mottram. How are you, Dave? Love to have you here. Congratulations. You're the man. Yeah, Jason is one of the moderators. He has achieved a moderator badge with Mike. There's one more. There's one more. Who else is it? Who else has got a moderator badge? PDD, I watched the video. Great, you saw the video. Hasbro review. Yes, Hasbro review is just behind Fisker because Fisker was $10. So you're just behind. All right? Okay, thank you, Lance. That was me complaining yesterday. What's happening today? What have I missed? Paul Knowles. Paul Knowles, I just gave you your review, your video. Morning all. Hi, Randy. Thank you so much, Martin. You're very welcome. Good morning all. Shannon Miller. Congratulations, Jason. Congratulations, Jason. You're the man. Congratulations, Jason. Jason is on a roll today. Happy Friday. Congratulations. Oh my, this is actually so cool. Jason, wow. Yeah, you can now delete me from my own channel. Fight channel. Thank you, Martin. Go, go, go. Zach Zate. Yes. Zach Zate has now got a moderator of the show. Yes. He now owns a piece of the show. That's right. All right. There you go. Congratulations, everybody. Right. The Troll Destroyers. Yes. Please do take those roles seriously. You do have a lot of power on the show now. So please do, do all of that. Anyway, 4 minutes to go. I've given everybody their reviews. We've now got to do another. We've got 2 reviews to do this morning. If you now look in fact, I'll just do that as well. We've got just time. We've got 3 minutes. Okay. Yeah, ban me. Good morning, Martin. When could you do earn review for me? When could I do it? Well, we've got Fisker first, then we got Hasbro for Lance Strength second, unless he bids $1 more because it's 10. It's equal with Fisker. Then we've got Nicola, which is $2, and then we've got Playboy, which is $2. So it won't be till Monday if you super chat. I'm not adding any more to the list yet. The list, I just can't get to the free list yet because people are super chatting. Remember, just so anyone knows, it's a free service. You don't pay for a review. It's a member's perk. Nobody pays for reviews here. They're free. You can have it on the list. All I'm saying is at the moment, I'm not adding any more to the list because the list is too long. But if you do a super chat, you jump to the top of the list. So what the super chat is for is it makes you jump to the top of the list. And right now I've got 4 to do. So we'll do a couple this morning and a couple this afternoon. And if anyone super chats today and it's more than $10, which is the top bid, it'll go. Oh, Lance Strength wants it straight away. It's going to be the next review then. Hasbro has jumped to the top. Anyone who bids less than that, it'll be on Monday. I just can't do any more today. I mean, 4 in one day is pretty crazy anyway. Ty Redman, you are on the list. Yes, you are on the list, and I will get to the complimentary list as quickly as possible. So, hi Alex. So you're on the list. You want to know when it's going to get done. You asked for Ty Redman. It's about halfway down the list. So I can't give a date at the moment because the super chats are getting the priority. There's nothing I can do about that, I'm afraid. Lance Strength, there we go. I'm already on the list. You are, and your review will get done. If I get too many super chats, I won't take any super chats either. I will just work over the weekend. So I'll do whatever I can to get it done for you, okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. The markets are selling off today for PPI reasons. Okay, let me go over here a minute. Here we go. Todd Bailey, good morning. Will always be the GOAT. Jason Fallon, Mike will always be the GOAT. Right. Let's get ready to go. What's moving? Flipping heck. 400 views in the last 60 minutes. What's going on here? Why is the channel's going nuts? Look at this. Look at this. Why is it going so quick? I mean, I don't know. It's amazing, isn't it? Right. Let's get ready to roll. 3, 2. That's the slowest seconds ever, isn't it? 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. You can sponsor the bell if you want your name on the bell, just like this. A $20 super chat, your name underneath. Let's get ready.
This is Phoenix.
Let's go through all the positions. Right, red day today because PPI was only one report though. We're in recession in the UK, so that is the bottom of the market though. Right, that's what you want. Virgin Galactic is down today, 2.34. Palantir is down. I just adjusted the audio, sorry about that. Gold is going down. Gold is going down. Good time to buy gold now. We've had a bit of a drop recently. Gold is on the way down. The S&P is going down. Amazon is going down. Apple down but trying to push up. Next Era Energy is going down. Enphase Energy is down but 135 now, pushing back up again. Coca-Cola selling off. J&J selling off. Kenvue going down. Chevron up but coming back down. Tesla $200 now but going back down again. Rivian down. McDonald's going down. GoDB. GoDB? You got your own stock, mate. Google is up today. Microsoft is up. Walmart is up. Tilray is going down 181. Robinhood up today 13.54. IonQ $11 but going back down again. Rocket Lab up today 1.23 and rising. Plug down 3.24. Rumble on the way down. Rumble is on the way down. Fantastic. Tilray. Hang on a minute. Did I mention Tilray? That pop in there twice. Tesla, Rivian, McDonald's, Google, Microsoft, Walmart. Did I go backwards there? Tilray. Yes, I did. Robinhood's doing well now. Nicely moving up. Fantastic. What have we got now? We've got Rocket Lab on the way up as well. Brilliant. I'm loving it. Loving it. Everybody on Rumble, how are you all doing this morning? Come and say hello. Plug Power, Rumble, Funware, FFIE, 10 cents a share now. Rio Tinto, 2.83. Wrap Technologies down 0.47 today. Bitcoin up 0.24. And we've got Polygon down 0.35. XRP also down today, 0.99. Okay, there we go. There's our wrap up of the day. Let's bring in all the comments. Hasbro is for Jason. Jason, you bought it for Jason? He will never block me now. The goat for the donkey. The goat for the goat or the donkey. XRP. You're being a bit rude again today, XRP. Steady on, mate. Don't be rude to our best friend here. You give XRP a bad name. He does. Keeps being rude for some crazy reason. What song is that? I can't tell you. It's a secret. The Phoenix. It's on Spotify. Hello, you bunch of money magnets. Hello, you bunch of money magnets. That's right, we are the money magnets. We're always making money. That's what it's all about, mate. There you go. There is the rundown for today. Congratulations, everybody, for being here. I don't know why I'm saying that. That doesn't make any sense. Congratulations for being here. Basically, I'm saying congratulations for still being alive. That's essentially what I'm saying. I don't know why I'm saying that. Scrub that. Forget I said that. Right. Okay. I've not been drinking my tea. Oh, bloody hell. It's gone cold now. My tea's gone bloody cold. That's Mike and Jason's fault. Flippin' heck. Can't believe it. Right, so we've got a slightly down day today. We got Virgin Galactic down 2.34. It's not doing as bad as I thought. Let's just check in on our dear friends at Bloomberg. Let's have a quick listen to what they have to say this morning. Let's have a listen in.
That's the low end of the average projection. So Applied Materials supplies gear to a lot of the big sector's major manufacturers. That includes Samsung, Taiwan Semiconductor, and Intel, which is why this makes the company's projections an indicator of future confidence when it comes to key demands of the electronic supply chain. And we also have sales slipping, but still higher than expected. And China was a bright spot. We saw sales more than doubling and now accounting for 45% of the total of the company. And demand for chips has been growing because, as you know, more and more devices are becoming more complex and more complicated, and they demand now more computing capacity and the ability to sense the world around them.
All right, that'll do for the minute. Just wanted to pick up anything happening, breaking news. I also keep my eye on Sky News as well for any breaking news. Nothing over there at the minute. All right, so all the news is being monitored, so just so you know. Luna is up 27%. All right, I've got to do Hasbro now. Hasbro is our next review. You've asked me to do a review now. I'm trying to do the reviews at the end of, say, an hour and a half, 2 hours into the show. That way I can be doing everything live with you first of all, and then we'll do the reviews. But one of our members, Lance Strength, wants it straight away, and he also wants it. It's actually for Jason Fallon, but he wants it straight away. So we're gonna have to do that now. We've also got Fisker as well. We've got Nicola coming up, and Playboy for Shannon Miller. I cannot wait to make that one. That is going to be the best video of all time. I'm going to be legitimately using clickbait. I'm going to use naked ladies on my thumbnail. Maybe not. Maybe not do that. I mean, maybe not do that, but I can certainly push the envelope. It's a Playboy review, right? That's all I'm saying. Okay, a man from Earth, Luna. Shall we have a quick look at Luna right now, just quickly? Let's bring Luna up. Now, if you all look below, in fact, I've got to do that now. I've got to announce that again. Luna. This is something that I rank for as well. Luna. Okay. Now then, just before I do that, just got to do a quick announcement. Right. Okay, here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, always trying to bring you the very best service. Well, today we've gone another step in that direction to make YouTube TV and our broadcasts on Rumble and around the world a full big screen TV experience. We are broadcasting today, and this should be a permanent feature. We've tested it in the past, but now we're doing this. This should be full time. We are broadcasting in 4K. Let me show you how you can check and whether you've got it or not in your area. Go on under the video, whether you are on mobile or whether you are on a computer, or preferably a big screen TV. Look at the cogs underneath. The cogs now show you that there is a 4K option. We used to be in HD, we then went up to Ultra HD, and we now moved up to full 4K live broadcast. This is cutting edge technology now. So you can watch this show on a big screen, 200-inch TV, and have surround sound, highest quality TV, radio kind of broadcast. We actually record broadcast in 48 kilohertz, which is actually more than TV. They're at 44 kilohertz, I believe. I've got that right. We're at 48. I might even go 96 soon, which is above DVD. All right, so there is 4K. That's how you know, and you should notice that the detail is even greater. So there you go. It's all about trying to bring you the very best quality of show, all the time improving the sound, the enhancement, the video experience, the live experience. So there you go. Another thing today we've tried to make better for you. So go and check it out. All the links are below, down below in the description. All the links are above my head, down below in the description, or over here. It's not a normal video, I know, but I just wanted to share this with you, that today we've increased to 4K live streaming. Just gets better, right? Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, there is that. Now we've got, so what time was that? 1 hour. 1 hour. That's 4K. Now we need to do, whoops-a-daisy. 4. Now we need to a quick update on Luna. Very, very quick. And then we got our review to do. L-U-N-R, Luna. We love space. We love all this stuff. So we got to cover it. And a very quick thing here. L-U-N-R. Luna. Better go green. Okay. Okay, here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Luna, ticker symbol L-U-N-R, up today. Let's do a very, very quick review. This is not a full review, but I just wanted to bring you the news today that we're up 21%. Over the week, we are up 26%. 1 month, 222%. Now then, the value is $8 at the moment, but what do we value this stock at? What is it? What is its intrinsic value? And is the intrinsic value accurate? Well, look at this. This is a breaking news, very important. I'm going to share with you right now Luna's intrinsic value. So we're still undervalued by 78%. is this an absolute gift of a stock right now? Best case scenario, 78%. Base case, 78%. Worst case, 77%. Are there any warnings? Yes, be careful. Before you reach for your pocketbook, just remember, Luna's intrinsic value estimate is unreliable because it is based only on multiples and doesn't use DCF valuation. You have to do your research. It appears to be cheap. It's going up. This is the intrinsic value. You might want to pause the screen and read that in detail. What that is, let me just quickly show you some of the financials. We don't have enough information to fully value the stock. This is not a full review. I'm just giving you a very, very quick glance. 103 million is in assets, but 422 million is in liabilities, and we do not have any long-term debt, but we do have a lot of liabilities. In fact, 4 times the amount of the assets. That's a bad place to be. Margins are all down. Profitability score and solvency score is 26. This is a very, very high risk stock now. It's great that we all think that Luna's literally going to land on the moon. Profitability score 26, but the balance sheet is in a terrible state. We're expecting a 15% downside at average, a 40% downside at worst, and a 57% at a best position. But be very, very careful. Insiders are selling the stock, haven't done for a while. In fact, they haven't done since February. In fact, February 23. It's been a year. I just want to get that on the screen so you can see that. February 23. So it's been a year since they sold. Let me just go over there you go. Right? So you can see that. However, just bearing in mind that the stock is extremely expensive. It appears to be undervalued, but you don't have the full metrics. And a lot of people use intrinsic value as their only way to ascertain the value. You can't do that. You have to read the balance sheet. 12% short interest. So we're not going to short squeeze either, but it does have downward pressure. You can see my review made it here, my full review, if you want to check that out on Alpha Spread. You want the links to all of that? I'll give it to you right now. Be very, very careful. It looks fantastic, but it's going up way ahead of schedule, way ahead of the balance sheet. Can the company keep up with the growth? They might need to raise funds. That means they'll dilute the stock. They'll turn to the investor. Click above my head for all the links down below here. If you go over here, you'll see all my reviews. Go and check out the Luna review. I've done a full analysis on it. Be careful. This might be a great company in the future. All well and good, but it's potentially overbought now. Even if it does look cheap, the balance sheet would not to support that. So be careful. That's a very quick update on Luna this morning. Good luck if you are in Luna. We're going to the moon, maybe literally, but be careful. It might stumble. It's a little bit overbought right now if you are looking at the fundamentals. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, okay. People getting a bit carried away there, I think. But that's what people do. Randy B with a report that came out today. Pretty bullish on Rocket Labs. Playboy has been in my watch list, but definitely not a buy right now. Radiant smile. Can't wait for your review. I can't either. I can't wait to do it. Ramon Hood ripping up. You did a full Luna review for me a couple of months ago. Steve Wally. Go Dot. I'm having a great day so far, up 8%. Right. Okay. Time for more reviews. I can't believe the numbers. All of a sudden, the channel is just exploding every day. Look at that. Every few seconds now. It's a subscriber virtually every 60 seconds. Nuts, isn't it? That's why I predict 10 million subscribers. I'm looking at the growth rate, all right? I'm doing my numbers. And don't just make this stuff up, right? Very exciting. Okay, time for a review. Okay, let's line it up. What we're going to do now is, what have we got now? Hasbro. Now, this is a gift to Jason Fallon. Is Jason Fallon in? I don't know. It's late in the day, but Jason Fallon, this is a gift for you from Lance. He wanted to give this to you. So congratulations. Jason Fallon's cleaning up today. He owns the show, literally. Anyway, so Hasbro. Okay, Hasbro. Oh, toys. Toys. I like doing toys. We all like doing toys. Everyone likes doing toys. All right, Hasbro. Hasbro. Wow, space really moving. Virgin Galactic. You mean, well, Virgin Galactic's not. You mean Rocket Lab? 106. SPCE, really moving. What do you mean? It was already down. That's because of PPI. Thanks for your work, Martin. Great shows and channel. Sterling Silver Adventures. Hey, Martin Magic. I love it. Tesla's been going up since your review came out. It always does that, doesn't it? Every time I do a review, if it's positive, it ranks on Google and YouTube within days, and then the stock goes up. Yeah, it's brilliant, isn't it? And it's going to get better. You wait, because I'm going to do hundreds. I'm going to do 1,000 reviews. All right, and I'm gonna own the review space. All right. Right, forget every other website in the world. Forget them. Don't need them. Every review in the world is going to be done here. Anyway, do we have Morten Hagen, Ranveer Lavosia, Bill Oberkirsch, John McGilvery, Tokars Charles, and Michelle? Robinhood shows insider buys. Is that new? Let's have a look. Is it? That is new. That is new. Robinhood has not had any buys. Are you saying there's inside trading going on at Robinhood? Buying? Where? I don't see that. I don't see that. I only see buys. I don't see any sales. I don't see any buys. So Radiant Smart, I don't see that. I'm sorry. I don't see that. If you see that, let me know, but I don't see that. Okay. Where are you seeing that? It's not showing up on my system yet. Right. So it's now time for Hasbro. Is Hasbro a buy? Well, get ready, Hasbro. I'm about to do a video on YouTube that's going to rank, so get ready for it. It is fun. This is so much fun doing this. You like speak to the world every day. It's like, I can't believe it. Whole world. Hello, world. 58 countries now, 14 languages. In fact, I've not done languages for a while. It takes too much of my time. I've not been able to do it. I've not been able to put the languages on. Over the last few weeks, I just have not had the time to be able. That's an extra step I've not been able to do. So we're not currently in 14 languages. I just can't do it. I just can't add another step at the minute. Right, back test. Hasbro. We'll put $10,000 in the S&P as we always do, and we'll put $10,000 in Hasbro. Toys. Buying toys. Mate, I tell you what, they should sponsor my channel, because then they could send me toys. So Hasbro, if you're listening, send me some toys, and sponsor my channel. Send me some Skeletrix. I want some Skeletrix. Leah would love that. Right, half the house is a studio. The other house is going to be Skeletrix. I think that's Mattel, though. I think that's Mattel. They'll go, no, we don't make that. You need to talk to somebody else. We don't do that. Right, okay. Never mind. Let's have a quick look. Got some latest news. All right. Oh, Dungeons & Dragons celebrates 50th. Oh, hello. This is kind of cool. Dungeons & Dragons 50th anniversary. Oh, this will be big news. This will be big news. I'm excited about Dungeons & Dragons. I grew up with this. Hey, Dungeons & Dragons 50th anniversary. How cool is that? I think that's cool. 50 million fans. Oh, this will be good. This will be good. Transformers. What's FTW mean? Okay. On the Robinhood app, I just noticed it. Let me just look at that a second then. So you said Hood. We're about to do a review, so I've got to focus now. Hood. You said you can see it on the app. So what, in the news section? Robinhood reports January assets under custody. Is that what you mean? Robinhood earnings surprise. Robinhood reports January asset. That's not new. Robinhood reports January asset. Robinhood reports selected monthly operating data. For January, funded customers at the end of the year. I don't know where you're seeing that. Send me the link in Discord, and I'll make a. That's great news. If you've got that, Radiant Smile, send it into Discord. You're a member of the channel, so you can do that, and then that is a really good video, a really good news for Robinhood. That will rank very well and. Go around the world. That's a good one. Because people have been very upset with Robinhood selling out, and they even mentioned it on the call, if you remember. Oh, is that my coffee tea? Leah, we're blowing up in here. The numbers are going berserk. Jason Fallon was very happy to win, and Mike was a good loser. He was very, very supportive of Jason. Cool, isn't it? All right. Okay, here we go, Hasbro. Now then, we're going to go members only during the making of this video. The purpose of going members only gives everyone, the members, chance to be in the video. So if you like Hasbro, if you want Hasbro to do well, if you want to promote this video, if you want more people to learn about Hasbro, if you want more people to buy Hasbro, if you're an investor on it, this video, I'm sure most of my videos now are starting to rank on YouTube's, many of them #1 now. So they're growing faster and faster. So if you want to actually help this video, put a comment on it, be part of it during the making of it, you can do a super chat. If you put a comment underneath about it, maybe you like the stock or maybe you don't like the stock. Whatever it is you want to say, you can have your say. If you do a super chat with a comment, it will read it out during the making of this video. So to protect from scammers and bots and trolls of people that just want to say, bad words and bad things, we go to members only. So we're going to go members only, and you can be part of this evergreen video that will remain forever on YouTube. And there we go. So we're in members mode now. So if you want to, be part of it, then you can. So Hasbro, here we go. Soundhound, a question here, an urgent question. Soundhound, hold or sell? I will answer it very, very quickly because I know I've got a lot of people who are following me for Soundhound. Sound, let me go to it. Just answer your question quickly. I have to focus on the members now. I'm sorry. Let's have a look at the moment. Now, Soundhound, we've done a review on it. It's overbought right now. It's going to be great in the future, but if you've made 50% in a week, which you have on this stock, which is 4 years on the S&P, the greatest index on planet Earth, that you've made more money than the 500 best companies in the world, in America, which probably in the world, and you've made as much as you'd make in 4.5 years in a week, why wouldn't you sell it? The balance sheet doesn't add up. It's a great company for the future, but it's got overbought. Everyone overbuys AI, and right now it's overbought. If you take profit, remember you never lose making money. You only lose if you're greedy and you stick around thinking it can run forever. Nothing runs forever. You've made more money than the top 500 companies in the world, America, if not the world, in just a week. Need I say any more? That's not financial advice, but, you know, that's how I consistently make money. What you do is up to you. Right, here we go. Radiant Smile sent me an email. Thank you. Right, I'm not going to focus on the comments right now. Let me do the review. Time for another stock review. We're talking Hasbro, we're talking games, we're talking toys, and congratulations to Hasbro. Dungeons and Dragons special coming up alongside Furbies. Yes, remember them? They're still around. I remember those years ago. They're still going with a modern, fresh look, I'm sure. Probably in 4K, like we are broadcasting in 4K, all nice and shiny. Well, today I'm going to give you a review on Hasbro. Should you buy Hasbro? Does it make sense? Well, during this review, I'm going to give you the most up-to-date, most advanced algorithmic software, giving you the balance sheet, the profit and loss, show you the debt position, the inside trading, a profitability score, a solvency score. I'm also going to show you the website. We're also going to celebrate Dungeons and Dragons 50 years. Can you believe it? I grew up with this. Yeah, I'm that old. But I don't care. The older I get, the more refined I get, like fine wine. At least that's what I try to tell myself. And do you know what? Something else that's good when you get old? Your wife gets more and more beautiful. Do you know why? Because your eyes get more and more blurry and all the lines get less and less. She gets younger and younger every year. It's amazing. She won't mind me saying that. We laugh about it all the time. I get better looking for her as well. All these lines, they fade away every year. She just thinks I get younger every year. It's amazing. Anyway, a full back test against the S&P 500. We're going to cover all of that on this video. So is it a place to make money? Well, it's certainly a place to play with your Dungeons and Dragons. But can you make money on this stock? Well, we're going to rub our chin and we're going to look like serious people, yes. But just before we start shouting at everybody and get all excited like everybody used to do on the New York Stock Exchange, not so much these days, as we found out when we reported live from there with one of our CEOs, Jefferson Boots. Remember that? All right, let's get straight into Hasbro. Now then, if you like my content, tap the like button. Have you done it? We expect to be at 10 million subscribers in a few years. Our rate of growth is going literally parabolic, and we expect to have more subscribers than Graham Stepan and Meet Kevin combined. And you know why? Because we got the most loyal family in the world. That's why we go live up to 10 hours a day. If you don't like the channel, please click the down like. I'm not trying to gain subscribers. I'm trying to build the best community. So if you click down like, you won't be shown my content anymore. And then we'll end up with the people that love the channel. Make sense? And you'll be happier because you'll find what you want. And now you've done that, have you subscribed and rung the bell? Make sure you ring the bell, otherwise you'll miss my breaking news. And I have breaking news for my members all day, every day. Oh yeah, I'm never not here. I bet you're sick of me, right? 4K now as well. You can even watch me now. Does it look better? If you zoom in, look at the cogs underneath, you'll find that there's a little option to select 4K. You can now watch me on a big screen TV the size of your house. See that? See every line on my face? Maybe that's not a good idea. Maybe I'll get rid of that. Anyway, okay, Hasbro. Is Hasbro a buy? Let's go straight into it. Now, obviously not everyone knows what Hasbro is, so we need to start at the beginning, and we'll get deeper and deeper as we go down. So, Hasbro. What is Hasbro? Well, Hasbro engages in the provision of children and family leisure time products and services. Not just children, no. Dungeons and Dragons, with a portfolio of brands and entertainment properties. By the way, as we come, in fact, I'll wait for just a moment. The firm's brands of toys include Power Rangers, Magic, The Gathering, Monopoly. I always used to win at that. My Little Pony, Nerf, Play-Doh, and Transformers. Show more. It operates through the following segments: consumer products, wizards and the coast of digital gaming, entertainment, and corporate and other. The consumer products segment markets and sells toys and game products around the world. That's good because we have members in 58 countries. I don't know if any other channel. Does anybody else have a channel? Meet Kevin. Have you got members in 58 countries? We have. All right. It also promotes brands through the out-licensing of trademarks. I'm just winding up Meet Kevin now. Getting brave now, aren't I? Another brand and intellectual property rights to third parties. And although the sale of branded consumer products such as toys and apparel, the Wizards of the Coast and digital gaming segment promotes the company's brands through the development of trading cards, role-playing, and digital game experiences based on Hasbro and Wizards of the Coast properties. The entertainment segment develops and distributes entertainment content. It's not as entertaining as this, though, is it? Including film, scripted, and unscripted television. Basically, I am a Hasbro product. Hasbro, you need to call me. Kristen P. Cox, call me. The CEO, there he is, call me. You know what? I've always said you can't buy my channel. You can't sponsor my channel to get me to say things, but you can. You can send me some toys. I would like a My Little Pony, please. And I'd also like some updated Furbies, all right? Because mine were added when I was a kid. A bit old and rubbish now. Anyway, the listed name of the company, the CEO is Christian P. Cox. If you'd like Christian to be on the show, and he can, because we interview CEOs. Oh yeah, we've already done 2, and we've got more coming up. At the making of this time you see this video, I've probably done 20. Who knows? Depends when you see it, right? We do Meet the CEO series, and the CEOs say to me they prefer being here than Bloomberg and CNBC, Mad Money, because we have a conversation with a cup of tea. Yeah, not like the Americans. We don't do it with coffee. We certainly don't do it with iced tea. We do it with a cup of tea, and we get to know the man behind the stock. That's what it's all about, right? So, Christian, if you'd like to be on my show, please do call me. All the investors, they'll message you now. Look out, the Lucasades. We've got loads of fan club pages being set up. They will message you, the investor relations. They'll also tag this video in your social media. So get ready, Christian. You'll know about this show in about a week from now because it will be hashtagged all over the place. Look out for the word Lucasades, all right? That's my army. They're coming for you because they want you on the show. They want you to come on the show and tell everybody how wonderful Hasbro is. Rhode Island. Remember Miss Congeniality? Sandra Bullock? Rhode Island. That's where it's got to be good. It's got to be good because Sandra Bullock made a film and she was from there in the film. So it's got to be good. Founded 1923. I'm loving it. Maintenance requirement 25%. So it's regarded as low risk. $7 billion. So they earn more than I do. Damn it. Right. High today is 51.70. 52-week high $73. 52-week low 42.66. Price earnings ratio negative 4.76. What's all that about? We'll come to the balance sheet, the numbers, and all the profits and loss later on. But it also provides a dividend yield, 5.48. Now, there's no point having a great dividend if the growth rate, the price earnings ratio, is rubbish. If you've got a high growth and a high dividend, well, that's the golden goose. No one has that. No one has a high dividend consistently growing and a growth rate that's on an S curve. Doesn't exist. You've got to choose one or the other, and we'll cover all that later in the video. The average volume is 2.63, so quite low volume, really. People just buy and hold it, I guess, for the dividend, right? Anyway, let's scroll down. Morningstar. Do we listen to Morningstar? No. Boo. Why? Because they're paid to present the reviews like JD Power. This is the best car in the world. It's a marketing agency. Well, Morningstar, of course, they're paid to present to do the reviews. They might have their own incentives. I don't know. I do it for free, and that's why all my reviews appear on the best research website for stocks, Alpha Spread. Every single one of mine appear there. They cherry pick the rest because mine are real and honest, and we have a little bit of a cup of tea while we're making it. Anyway, they're saying it's a buy at 61%. Are they right? We'll tell you if they're right later on. I'll give you my opinion when we get to the numbers. The bulls say the firm enjoys a stable expense base and should be able to leverage operating margins to above 20% as higher margin gains become a larger percentage of the total sales. That's good. What do the bears say? Boo. De-escalation from the supply chain and bloated retail network inventories could intermittently weigh on profits, particularly during periods of economic duress. And we are certainly in that state right now. We're now in recession in the UK. I'm based here in Dallas, Texas. But that's good for the markets, though. When the economy hits the bottom, that's when you know you got to start buying the economy, start buying the stock market, right? The economy and the markets are separate. Now then, where are we at the moment? We've been up and down with our earnings. Flipping heck. We were always profitable. And then we're verging on the level of not making any money for a while. Look at that. At 0.01. Then we went up again and now back down again. What's going on here? Well, estimated share per share is 66 cents. They actually achieved 38. So it's a big miss. A big miss. Is it an opportunity to buy right now? Well, let's see who else is buying the stock. That gives us some sentiment. Disney. Not so sure Disney's a good buy anymore. Verizon. I've not reviewed it, so I don't know. Nintendo, not reviewed it, so I don't know. Coca-Cola, one of my top stocks. Great company, fantastic. Oh, by the way, full disclosure, I only own the S&P. I am fully invested. Every penny I've got in the world is invested in the S&P. I only own one stock. That's it. The reason is, you know that my reviews are real, unpaid, unbiased, honest. I don't own any other stock. I'm not here to pump and dump stocks. I'm here to make money for my viewers, my audience, and provide the best information. And if it's great, I'll say if it's great. If it's rubbish, I'll say it's rubbish. That's it. That's what we're about. Coca-Cola is one of those great companies. AT&T, well, if you believe all the rumors, they're going to be providing 4G in space with Elon Musk on NASA, not on NASA, beg your pardon, on Mars. Maybe one for the future. And maybe it's not so far away. Who's going to own the internet on Mars? I tell you who it ain't going to be. It ain't going to be me, all right? Okay, but it could be AT&T. Right, let's go and look now. So what do you think so far? Rubbish? What do you think so far? Tap the like button. Tap the down like button. I don't mind what you do. Just do something. Let's go and look now and see if all of this makes sense. We're going to get our credit card out and potentially, Jordan Smith, make a purchase. Should we buy this stock? Does it make sense? Should we go and have a further look? I think we need to. Let's go and have a look first of all at the website. Let's get to know more about the business. Furby. We love a bit of Furby, don't we? It's them big ears. It's them big ears. Look, My Little Pony, always been a favourite. I say that. I don't know. I haven't even got any kids. Has anybody got a My Little Pony? If you do, reply in the comments if you've got any of these toys. And we'll see which is the most popular toy. So whatever toy you've got from Hasbro, reply in the comments and I will reply back to every one of my members' comments. I want to know what toys you've got from Hasbro and we'll find out what the most popular toy is. Not what they say, what our members say. So reply to the video when it comes out and we'll find out. Elite Explorer, that looks a bit good. My Little Pony. What about Transformers action figures? You like a bit of a Transform? We like that. I never had any of that. I was Action Man. Dungeons and Dragons. Play-Doh. Now, Play-Doh, yes. I love the smell of Play-Doh. You smell it. It's like kids' version of cocaine. Shouldn't say that. Should I edit that bit out? No, I'll leave it in. I'll leave that in. Shouldn't have said that. I don't even know. I've never done it. Right? Should never have said that. I'm definitely going to edit this out. No, I'm not. Leave it in. You know what I mean? The point I'm making is you smell it and it smells nice, right? You go, oh, that smells good, that. It's like that. I used to even eat it. As a kid, you could eat it, especially the purple Play-Doh. It sort of tasted like blackberries. I don't think it really did. Anyway, Monopoly. What about Monopoly? I love Monopoly. I was always the car, never the top hat, always the car. All right, I love all this. But there's only one thing though. They don't do Skeletrix. Because if they're watching right now, which they will be, because you'll all be tagging this around, make sure that we get hold of Mattel, because I need Skeletrix, right? That's what I need, right? Half the house is a studio. The other half of the house might as well just be Skeletrix. My wife would just then leave me. So, there you go. 50 years of Dungeons and Dragons. Congratulations. 50 years of Dungeons and Dragons. 50 million fans. I have to say, I've never played it. It all seems too complicated for me. Anyway, this is the breaking news for Hasbro. Out of the small cobbler's home in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin in 1974, generation of dreamers and adventure seekers were inspired with the publication of the first version of Dungeons and Dragons. The tiny black text and the line drawings printed on those first pamphlets, better, have grown into beautifully illustrated, is that tomes? Beautifully illustrated tomes. New word. Meticulously crafted physical artifacts and comprehensive digital tools, all designed to enhance the core of Dungeons and Dragons, getting together to tell fantastic stories with friends and family. Now, stewards of that legacy of imaginative play, Wizards of the Coast is poised to celebrate 5 decades of fantasy role-playing in 2024 by engaging with fans at events around the world and offering games, entertainment, and products informed by the history of Dungeons and Dragons to inspire generations to come. There you go. 50 years of Dungeons and Dragons. Now, this is all well and good so far. We're liking it. It's exciting. We've got passion. We've got history. We've got drama. We've got Dungeons and My Little Pony. And we've got people commenting to this video. As you're watching it, I can look below and I can see all the comments. I can see you're commenting. Yeah, there's one down here about that Play-Doh thing. I maybe ignore that. But all the rest look pretty good. So continue commenting to this video. All right. Of course, I'm making this in a live show. So right now I can't really see that. But I'm imagining that it's happening. Is it happening? Are you writing it now? There you go. All right, let's go and look at the numbers, because at the end of the day, it's all very well and good, all this excitement, but does it make money? Does it make money? Can we make money from it? Because we're investors, right? We're not just gamers. We're not just Dungeons and Dragons and riding around on little tiny pink ponies. No, we've got to make money from this stock. So how do we do it? Let's have a look. Now then, the intrinsic value of the company is undervalued by 38%. Tick. Base case. Best case, 55%. Tick. Worst case, 13%. We can live with a 13% overvaluation. We certainly can, because we've got a dividend here as well. As long as it's a dividend king and it always pays out and increases, we'll look at that. If we can, that would make sense. Zaxate, during the making of this video, said, watching your review makes me want to buy toys again. That's what happens, mate. This review is going to rank number 1 in the world again, as all our reviews do. They don't, but eventually they will. If I keep saying it, they will. If you believe it, they will, right? But there you go. We've got Zaxate here, one of our members and moderators. He's going to go out now and buy a bit of Hasbro toys just because of my review. So Hasbro, if you're listening, pay attention. I want some gifts. I want some gifts in the post. I want toys. Right, now then, have we got any warnings on this intrinsic value? No, we don't. This warning is, this review is accurate. So this is a good buy. So far, it's a tick. Solid company with a great intrinsic value. But that's not enough to buy it. So hold your horses before you suddenly say, I'm going to buy loads of Hasbro. Wait. Hold your horses. Let me run in real time through my amazing software, world-leading software. And by the way, if you want this at the end, you can get my software. All right? You can get this. It's way better than Motley Fool, way better than everybody else. It's the best software in the world for reviewing stocks. Let me run a back test. And at the end of the video, I'll give you the link for it. You can see there, and you might want to pause the video at this point and take a closer look. And we're in 4K now, so you can zoom in and it'll look amazing on a big screen TV. You can zoom in there and see the real valuation of this company. All right? Okay, let's scroll down. Have you done that? Of course you've done it. Why would you not do it? It's how to make money. Hasbro's 2023 journey was complex, contending with inventory excess and strategic shifts, hence the down recently. Yet noteworthy success emerged like Monopoly Go. I tell you what, if they send me a game of Monopoly on the show, I'll get it to rank number 1 in the world. Everybody will buy it. Just saying, Hasbro, send it in. All the investors here, message Hasbro. Tag my video reviews, get them to know about me. They'll send me the Monopoly. I'll make a video with it. Acclaimed as the top mobile games launch in the US, selling E1 improved financial health and aggressive inventory actions reduced levels over 50%. Wizards segment will shrink 3 to 5% in 24 after a standout year, but consumer products and entertainment are pivoting for profitability, eyeing 4 to 6% and improved margins. Respectively, streamlining and cost-saving measures aim to yield $750 million by 2025, bolstering Hasbro's strategic sparing and innovation engine, despite a 7 to 12% revenue dip in 2024. So a lot of not so good earnings there, but the Q4 earnings weren't too good, were they? Anyway, let's look at the numbers. What we're looking for, as Warren Buffett would often say, who often comes to me for advice, and I say, Warren, I'd love to give you some advice, but I'm too busy, mate, talking to the Lucas aides. Come back when I've got more time. He's been waiting for nearly 2 years. Right. The revenue is $5.4 billion, which is down 3% on the most recent range. Now, we are expecting a dip. They've announced that. So maybe now is a good time to buy, because if that dividend is still paying, which it might not be, we'll cover it in a minute. If that dividend is still paying and it's increasing and we're in a dip at the moment, they've admitted to that, but they're expecting things to improve, which I would expect to see improvements over the next couple of years. This might be a great time to buy the stock. It is undervalued on intrinsic terms, so this is looking good. Operating income. Operating income is up 8% and expect to increase. Good news. Net income. Well, we had a big dip here. Now then, a one-off. They're expecting it to go back up again. A one-off and expecting to go back up. So this could be a good time to buy the stock right now. So far, this is adding up to a great company, oversold, undervalued, with great history. But does the balance sheet add up? Do the inside tradings add up? We'll come to that in a minute. This is a buy so far from me. Will it become a strong buy, or will we come back to a sell? Let's have a look. Cash flow up 32% on the most recent range. That's much better. No projections though. Capital expenditure. We've been spending a lot of money and now that's reducing. That's a good sign. -3. That's good. Operating cash flow up 10%. That's good. Lot of good things coming out of here right now. Let's look at the balance sheet. 8.3 billion in assets. How much cash have we got? 184 million. Got some cash. Balance sheet, 6.1 billion liabilities. It's at that sort of 75% I can live with. Any more, it would have been a bad balance sheet. Up to that point, we've still got more assets and liabilities. We can live with that. Hope we don't have too much long-term debt. We've got 184 million in cash. Long-term debt is half of our liabilities. Okay, we've been spending money, we've been borrowing money, 3.7. Now then, we've got some cash, 184 million, so we can't really make any sort of dent in the long-term debt. The long-term debt is 59%. It's considerable. Half of our liabilities is debt. However, with the position of the stock being down, as long as the dividends are looking good and the future forecast comes good at the price we are right now, and most importantly, if interest rates come down, this can be a catalyst. This can be a catalyst today on the stock, because the rates come down, that debt becomes cheaper, that can make their profitability soar. Let's have a look at the efficiency. Efficiency, 60%, 13%, net margin negative at the moment. So we've got some good and bad news there, mixed bag. What about the profitability? 48% is the score. Everything is good apart from positive 3-year revenue growth. That's only amber. Everything else is good, but nothing bad. 48% profitability is good. Not the best, but it's good. Solvency score. Is the company going bust? Well, it's because of that debt and the profits at the moment. 37%. Now, we need to be clear. We've got red, amber, and green. Not many companies have a bright green balance solvency score. 37, the company is not going bust. It's been around for a very long time. Very well managed company, survived through all kinds of macro conditions over the history of its lifetime. 37% will improve and get us into the 45s, 50s, which would be very safe if we can start to see the rates come down, which we will later on this year, late spring, summer. That's what I've been predicting for 18 months. And I believe that's the case. So this stock right now is primed to go up. It could be a great buy. As long as that dividend payment works out and the inside trading, it's still a buy from me. It's still a buy. What about Wall Street? They're saying 17% upside, which is ahead of the S&P, but only just. 56, 51%, but we're not in a best case scenario right now. We're not. Macro conditions are hard, but they will improve. 4% on the downside. Again, I can live with that. I can live with the worst case scenario of 4% if the dividends are reliable. The competitive landscape, if you want to compare other balance sheets, other toy manufacturers, other companies like this, I'll give the link. It's above my head or below in the description. You can use my software and you can do your own research. Okay, all my members get a lifetime discount of this software, making my membership for free. If you want the premium full-blown plan, which is what I use, or you can have a free version, and you can review a couple of stocks in a limited way. Again, using my links below in the description and above my head as well. Now then, this is good news. This is good news. During the last 12 months, insiders have not bought any shares and have not sold any shares. None. No transactions in the last 12 months. The last was made in 2022. Who bought shares, and that was Burns Michael Raymond, who bought shares in 2022. No selling at all. No buying either, but no selling. So that's good. And the reason why it's good is if things start to improve, we want to buy the stock before the insiders buy it. Because if they bought it, the stock's already gone up. You've missed the boat. You want to do your research, which is what the purpose of this video is. Buy it before, and then you can catch it as they buy it. So that's good. They haven't bought, they haven't sold. Just sat there waiting. What about What about short interest? 6.93. So there's some negative sentiment here. I don't think the price can go much lower than where it is, as long as that dividend looks good, and we'll come on to that in a minute. So if you liked the video, I forgot to mention that. Have you left a comment below the video? Have you told me what your favorite toy is? Because I will reply to all of my members. Every member will get a reply. I'll even make a video if it's necessary for your question. Let me look below the comments. Are you writing comments? Yeah. Someone's got a little pony. Yeah. Someone likes the Dungeons and Dragons. Someone wishes they sold Scaletrix, but they don't. All right, leave your comments. I'll reply to them all. Now then. The short interest is enough to bring the stock down so you get a lower price, but not enough to get a short squeeze. We don't have the volume here. I don't ever imagine this stock getting short squeezed. Doesn't have enough volume. I can't see it happening. And also, we don't have enough volume or enough short interest anyway. I'm nearly coming to the end of the video. If you want a comment read out during the video, do a super chat with a comment. It will read it out and put it on the screen, and you can be part of the video. Don't miss your opportunity. We're nearly at the end. Right, what does the media say about the stock? Just very quickly. Their reviews appear here. Mine will be here in a couple of days' time, and mine will be right at the top because it's the best. Just happens to be the latest, but you know, it's also the best. Right, let's have a look at what they have to say here.
Shares of the toy maker falling after reporting fourth quarter earnings that missed expectations. Revenue declined 23% to $1.29 billion. Adjusted earnings per share, that came in at 38 cents versus the 64 cents that the street was looking for. Full year guidance for 2024 also disappointing investors. For more on the results and the year ahead, for Hasbro at least, and plus some of the other toy makers, we've got Zachary Waring, who is the CFRA analyst. Great to have you here, Zach. Let's first start with Hasbro here. I mean, it feels like, and our team in our newsroom meeting thought I was joking this morning, but hey, Wizards of the Coast, my goodness, that segment at least growing 7%, but there's some other warning spots within this report. Want to get your read.
Yeah, I think for us, we see this as kind of a throw in the towel quarter. They took a bunch of impairment charges. Obviously, big revenue miss, bottom line miss. So, miss across the boards. Guidance was very conservative, we think. So, we think this quarter was kind of throwing the towel. Let's set expectations low going into 2024. And we expect them to beat throughout 2024. We think they've given conservative guidance and they can beat easily.
And Zachary, we know that in that earnings report, we saw CEO Chris Cox talking about, they have a healthier balance sheet entering into 2024, leaner cost structure, diverse portfolio here. When do we start seeing that pay off, I guess, longer term here? What are investors hoping for that they didn't get from this earnings report?
2026.
Yeah, I think what the big thing was with the balance sheet was inventories are now back down to below 2019 levels. They've started to pay down some debt. They've got some debt coming due in November, which we expect them to pay off, and not refinance. And we think now, they've kind of laid the groundwork to, make some slow improvements through this year. They've guided for basically down 5% revenues. And
enough of that. I think you can see what I'm saying. Exactly like I said, 2026 will be the year for Hasbro. Paying off the debts is what I said they need to do, and they can do that. Interest rates coming down, that'll improve. Like you said, throw in the towel. They've set expectations low, so they'll beat on earnings. I think this is a definite buy from me, as long as those dividends are looking good. Let's come on to that in a second. Right, the sentiment of the stock. Let's have a look. Last 90 days. It was 47% negative. Last 30 days, 54% negative. Last 7 days, 66% negative. Remember, what Warren Buffett would do, on my advice, is always look for a great company with a great balance sheet, great history, diversified portfolio, proprietary, unique. Let's be honest, Hasbro has a name and a brand, no question about that. Some massive products within that brand that is down at the moment, that can reduce its debt, that can stimulate the stock with interest rates. This could be good. So anyway, this is what you're looking for. You're looking for a stock that's been beaten up. Now then, the last thing we need to do is a full check and against the S&P and a dividend check. So are you ready for the final part of the puzzle? Should we buy this stock? Have you commented below? Yes, the comments are getting busy. I'm going to be busy typing back all my replies. Yep. All right. So, okay, all my members get a reply back. Sorry, the rest of you, I just don't get time, but I will reply to all my members. Okay, so let me go and look now at the numbers of the dividend. Does that make sense? Here we go. Now then, we're going to go back to 2012. 36 cents, 36. What we want to see is never miss and increase. That's a dividend king. 36, 36, 36, 40, 40, 40, 40, 43, 43, 43, 44, 40, and at the back of the room, get me once, going twice. Yes, I know. It sounds like that. 43, 46, 46, 46, 46, 51, 51, 51, 51, 51, 51, 57, 57, 57. Give up, Martin. 57, 63, 63, 68, 68, 68, 68, 68, 68, 68, 70, 70, 70, 70, 70, 70, 70. We're now in 2024. We've increased, we've paid. This is good. This is exactly the final piece I wanted to see. I'm going to give it a big like. I'm even going to give it some love. Yes, it's a strong buy from me. I'm sure this video will rank on YouTube. People will buy it and you will see it go up. Levin Hop, yes, we are now broadcasting in 4K. We've increased the quality of our broadcast. You like it? Watch me now on a big screen TV. I look amazing. You won't believe it. Right, so now then, 15th of May, 2024, they're paying 70 cents. Let's see where it goes in August of 24. Right, now then, a back test against the S&P 500. The S&P is in blue, $10,000 in 2011. We would now have 49, 5x. We've 5x'd since 2011. Hasbro has gone from 10,000 down to 15,700. So we haven't made that much money since 2011. And yes, that is reinvesting the dividends. So the S&P has made you more money. However, if we look at Hasbro, it has followed the S&P until we had the collapse in 2020. COVID. Makes sense. All businesses did. Then it started to recover, and then it faded away, just like the S&P did, but fell away on these most recent earnings mostly, all of this. So, this is now an extreme buy for me. One, the dividends. It qualifies, it's not a dividend king, hasn't been doing it long enough, but it qualifies as a dividend king potentially. Number one, big tick. Balance sheet. It's about the debt. They're going to reduce the debt. Interest rates are going to come down. That's good. Great products, proprietary, unique, strong balance sheet, strong company, all of that. It follows the S&P, an ever-increasing dividend, and it dropped off like the S&P in COVID, came back, but it's only fallen away on the most recent earnings, which they know and will bounce back from. So is it a buy from me? It's an extreme buy. Absolutely. Absolutely. So there is my review today on Hasbro. Let me wrap up the video. Did everybody tap the like button or the down like? I don't mind what you do. Just do something. Have you subscribed to the channel? Have you become a member yet? Are you part of the Lucasades? Are you going to send this out on social media so I get some toys from Hasbro and it ranks number one for Hasbro in the world? It can and it will. All you've got to do, the Lucasades, is hashtag the word Lucasades, Lucasades, message and email investor relations. Every one of you do it. Take the video and put it on their social media and tag them in it and share it around. I guarantee this will rank number one on YouTube. This one is a bit different. I would say I would give this about 2 or 3 weeks. Let's get it up there. And then if that happens, it's a positive review. People will buy the stock. You watch it go up. Mark my words, let's see it go up. All right? We'll come back here in a week and a month and let's see if it's gone up. I think it will. That's my prediction. So in the style of Hasbro, to add a little bit of toyish gamery, do you like that? Is that a real word? Probably not. There we go. We're all going to make some money, but better than that. You ready? Let me make my prediction. I predict within about 2 or 3 weeks we'll rank number one on Hasbro, on YouTube and Google. The stock price will go up and Hasbro might reach out to me and I might get some free toys. That's my prediction. Let's see if I'm right. I know I'm right. I can already see it. Yep. He can read people's minds. Yep. Yeah, I can. I can read people's minds. There's Hasbro. Click above my head. Down below in the description for all the links. If you want Alpha Spread, you want my software, it's free to all my members and you get a lifetime discount if you want the pro version as well. Go over here. More reviews. Let's do it. Let's make it number one on Google and YouTube. Let's get some free toys and let's make some money riding around on My Little Pony. Until next time, congratulations, 50 years of Dungeons and Dragons. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. There's my review. How do you do? You like that? We'll now go back to general public again. Okay, stock news. Fight Channel has sent in some information. Back to the stocks. Fight Channel has sent in Coinbase rides Bitcoin ETF frenzy. That's just come in. Breakfast Bar. Paul Stone has got his he's got his cup of tea there in England mug. I'm loving it. Let me give it some love. Hello, old friend Mike. General Chit Chat. Potteris. Oh, she's done it. Oh, this is going to be good. This is going to be good. Oh, is Dawn here? Is Dawn here in the chat? This is going to be good. This is going to be really good. We're about to get, we've got another fan site set up. This is great. This is great. You ready? Dawn, are you here? She's not here. Doesn't matter. We're going to surprise her. Dawn Potterus. Are you here in the chat? Dawn, are you here? Dawn. Is Dawn here? We're going to do something for Dawn now. This is great. More and more of you are setting up fan channels. And it's just, I can't believe it. It's so exciting. But Dawn has done this. Right, listen, folks. This is brilliant, okay? So let me make a video out of this now. Okay. Now then. This is a special thing. This is a huge honor for me. And we're all going to do it, right? You ready? Okay, let's do it. Look at this. Bring it up to here. So what time is this? What time is this? Two hours 4. 2.04. Dawn. I don't know if Dawn's here. Right. You ready? This is exciting. Can't believe this. Can't believe it. Best thing ever. Okay. Huge breaking news here on my channel. You're going to love this. No, it's not the information about I'm 4K today, streaming in 4K. No, it's even better than that. My Lucasades, my army, if you like, my team that are promoting the channel, working with me, supporting me every day to build this and make this the best, most honest live channel in the world. And we believe we'll be at 10 million subscribers within a few years. Our rate of growth would suggest that. More and more of you are setting up fan channels, fan pages. We've got the Fight channel, who has Barbie doll every day making videos about me. That's fun. We have Sensei Crypto, who's working with me. There's several of you who have done channels and pages and groups. Our latest one is Dawn Potteris from Scotland, and we're about to make her the most popular X account, Twitter account on Twitter. Are you ready? She's going to get a massive explosion of growth now. This is awesome. This happened a couple of days, and I learned this from Mr. B. So listen to this, folks. If you want to grow online or build a business or anything, this is the secret. This is the secret sauce and the secret success. I've always been successful in my life. It's easy to be successful if you love to work hard and never give up. But focus on your viewers, your customers, your audience, not you. The money will take care of itself. And Mr. Beast, one of the biggest YouTubers in the world, knew this. And he said to people that when you do something, share it with everyone. Don't make it a small group. Share it with everyone. Encourage everyone to do what you're doing. Encourage everyone to make content like you, but just make it better than everybody else. Don't try and stop people from doing it. Don't restrict it. I want everyone to make Virgin Galactic videos. We rank #1 for that, but I make it better. And I can do that for myself. Just get on with it and work hard, but don't stop other people doing it. Well, that's what Mr. Beast does, and that's what I do, and that's what Dawn does. And let me explain. A few days ago, Dawn, one of our members, she got banned from a group on X that was all about stock reviews, information on great companies. She got banned for sharing my reviews. My reviews are just reviews on stocks. She was sharing them in the group. The group didn't want it, because what the group wants is just like our content. Just share our content. Just comment on our content. That's the worst thing to do, because you literally strip your community away and destroy it. And you make it just tiny. No man is an island, right? So Dawn got banned from sharing great comment. So I said to Dawn, Sodom, Dawn, if they cannot see the bigger picture, if they're not Mr. Beast or they're not Martyn Lucas, you build your own. You build your own community and everybody on my channel will follow you, and you can have your very own stock review channel. We'll all follow you. We'll all support you. And within weeks and months, you'll be bigger than they are. And you can grow. And as I grow, you'll grow with me. And I will do everything I can. And I will support you. And everybody here will support you. So here is the world premiere, the breaking news of Dawn Potterus. I call her that because she makes pots. All right. She has made a group on X, formerly Twitter, and we're all going to support her. Here it is. This is great. And it's all about stock reviews. She's a fan of the show, and she's going to be sharing my reviews. Absolutely great. So here it is. If you tap the like button to this video, you better have done. Here we go. Let me share with you. This is Dawn's investing insights plus the Lucasades. I have no say in this whatsoever. I'm not part of designing it or any part of it whatsoever. This is what Dawn has done by herself, and here it is for all of you. So she's got one member herself. This is the day Dawn starts at number 1. Mr. Beast started at number 1. I started at number 1. Everybody starts at number 1. There's Dawn, number 1. Every single person here, I'm going to give you the link right now in the chat. I'm making this video during a live video. So here we go. I'm going to go into my message service and message everybody right now. There is Dawn's link on X. I'm going to go into Rumble. There's my Rumble audience. Give you the link. Everybody on TikTok over on my phone here, come and join me and come on to X and join Dawn's fan channel. This is great. Let's make Dawn really, really famous. This is brilliant. If anybody else does anything like this, we'll support you too. And I would expect Dawn to get to that magic number of 1,000 members quite quickly, because I've now got 1,600 going through about 20, 30 a day now. It's growing. Used to be like 1 a year. It's now 20 or 30 a day. So, and we're all going to follow and support Dawn there. Okay, so I'm going to click join. I have to join this group, don't I? It's the only group I've ever joined. Very, very selective of what I join. So let me click join, see what happens. Investing insights. Oh, we've got rules. We've got rules. Review and agree to investing insights and Lucasade rules. Flipping heck, there's rules. Be kind and respectful. Keep posts on topic. Explore and share. No spamming. Spamming is not allowed. And the moderator decision is final. And the spammers will be blocked. I'm loving it. She's just like me. She's taking no nonsense. Agree and join. I'm the first person. I've joined. There I am. I've joined. It says one member. Does she have to review it? I don't know. Let me refresh it. Maybe I've got to refresh it. Dawn. Oh, hey, 7 members already. She's got 7 in minutes. I love it. I absolutely love it. There you go. I'm loving it. Now, once you've gone there, like every single review. Like it. Click on it. Share it. I don't know. Do whatever you like. But anybody who wants to build an online platform and you want to get thousands of followers and one day be a monetized channel, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Rumble, Twitter, X, whatever it might be, if you're doing it like Dawn, I will support you, help you, and you will be successful. But remember, do it always for the people. Always. Do it to help people and never for yourself. And include everyone. Reply to everyone. Talk to everyone. Don't ever say, no, you can't share that. You're not part of our group. You can't do that. Because if you do that, you shrink and you go nowhere. Remember, social media is supposed to be sociable. It's supposed to be about helping people, building a community, the good, the bad, and the ugly, not just the people that you want or don't like or whatever. Everyone gets a voice. There you go. Look at this. She's already had so many views. See this engagement here? 18, 6. Look at this. All these people are watching our videos on our channel. So we're going to grow. She's going to grow. And we're all going to grow together. And anybody else who wants to do this, you can do it. And I will support you exactly the same. As long as your content is about the people and you include everyone, I'm behind you. 100%. She's now got, how many members has she got now? 8 members. There we go. We're off and running on day 1. This was the day that we did this. Fantastic. Congratulations, Dawn. Appreciate you so much indeed. Click above my head for the link. This will go out by its own video later on. Click below in the description. Go over here. I'll post it. And Dawn is going to have the best stock review channel on X, formerly Twitter. She's going to blow it up. I'm loving it. Congratulations, Dawn. Thank you. And that's how you do it. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. I love this. Best job in the world. Oh, man. Right. I'm loving it. So, let me give you that link again. There is the link. I'll put it out here again. Here is Dawn. Put the link there. Rumble. There you go. Rumblers. There you go. Look at this. Number 1 in Hasbro. What's number 1 in Hasbro? Vincent Vosberg. We will be. It won't take long. Is Hasbro going up? Let's have a look. Is the stock going up? If it's going up, I'm going to laugh my head off. When did we start talking about it? No, it hasn't moved yet. Come on, we're not going to move. We're not going to move $1 billion stock in minutes, are we? Come on, we're not that big, right? We will be, but we're not there yet. Right, I missed some comments. Let me read the comments I may have missed. What's going on? Just sold. Ed Spitzen, go one. Congratulations, Ed. Good morning, Kamala. What have I missed? Update me. If I've missed a comment that I need to see, update me. Please update me. I want to know what I've missed. Okay. I felt the profits in 35. I may keep it. I don't know. Hi, Martin. Lim Derrick. Hi, Martin. Thanks for your efforts all this while. I'd like to upgrade my membership. Please share me the link. I could not find it. Lim Derrick wants to upgrade his membership. He ain't messing around. This is how you do it. Here you go. There's the link. It's on the membership page of the channel. If you're on an iPhone, you need to use a browser, any browser, and select desktop version. And so basically, this is what you're doing. I've given you the link. You go to the channel like this. You go to the channel, and it's basically there. Membership. Right there. It's on membership. Okay? Now, it won't show because I own the channel, right? So it doesn't show. But that's where it is. That's where it is. And you can upgrade at any point. He wants to upgrade. I'm sick and tired of being gold. I'm going to be sponsorship level. Loving it. Right. I had bought it in this morning for a quick gain. Congratulations. What have I missed? I want to make sure I've not missed anything this morning. Pairs super sticker. What's this here? Super sticker. Pair character jumping up and down. Number 1 fan, Lim Derrick. Lim Derrick has said he's the number 1 fan. Did I miss that? Oh, I missed it. I got to replay it again. I missed it. If I miss it, I got to replay it again, and I. Recent events. Recent events. Here it comes. Recent events. Sound effects. Turn them up. Lim Derrick. There you go. There's no comment, though. I can't read it out. What is SGD? What is SGD? I don't know what that is. What's SGD? I have no idea what SGD is.
Lim Derek has become a member.
Lim Derek, you are now a silver member. So Lim Derek, if you want to go on the homepage of the YouTube channel, you can. You've just got to message me and just reply to any of the comments or tell me in here, and I will add you on the homepage of the YouTube channel, and I will get everyone to subscribe to you. If you're a silver member, I put you on the homepage of my channel, and I get everyone to subscribe to you on YouTube. Everyone. It's great. It's a great little perk. One of our best perks. You can have that. Shannon Miller, Transformers. I almost purchased a Temple of Elemental board game yesterday. Love it. Interesting, Jack. Is a competitor. Haas. However, they have zero long-term debt. I only buy toys from PDD now. Is that because of our channel? I play chainmail. Did you say Sadu will explode today? Where is the explosion? Oh, yeah, XRP. He's always talking nonsense. Don't pay any attention. He's not one of our members. He's not verified. He's probably a bot. He's probably a bot or 12 years old. I don't know. Anyway, just be very careful. People say all sorts of silly stuff. But I think Chris Perkins retired. If I cared about Sadu, I do research, but I don't. My first Ian party was BG. Not sure what that, my LAN part, I'm not sure what that is. Hasbro is weird. I have several critical role items. What's behind Hasbro's 90 million boost? The game with, could hold the, this game of full nudity. What the, hang on. Whoa. We're not putting that on the screen. We can't share that. Come on. 4K, Kevin Loop. Yes. The beer is a druid. Magic, the gathering is huge. I'm back in. Yes, Jason, I played the first set. I think Picketing kind of took over the next generation. Thanks, Martin. So grateful for that. Cheers. You're very welcome. It will come out later and it will rank #1 within about 2 or 3 weeks. It's hard to rank for Hasbro, but I think I will. MSK is still early in the day. XRP, they're laughing. Let's have a look. I'm waiting for 9. Mullen up 19%. I don't get how. Well, it's easy to go up 19%, Ed. It's worth nothing. It can go up 1,000%. It's still worth nothing. All right? XRP, you said yesterday if we waited by the end of the day that Sadu would be up. Well, it's not, is it? You got to stop making up stuff, because if you make up stuff, you lose credibility, mate. All right? You know, if you keep making up stuff, no one knows what you're talking about, right? I'm just saying, did we have a birthday today? Because if we have a birthday, you get a birthday celebration. Members get birthday celebrations. And Lim Derek, as a silver member, you also get a 20-minute gig. I can do a 20-minute party for you, like a birthday or anniversary, all right? I think Rallo won. Was it his birthday? No one mentioned it. He never mentioned it. Is Rallo 1 here? Are you here? Is it your birthday? Because we need to do it. Call it Levin Hop. Call what? Yeah, Sidus is $4.56, not $9. I bought a share, so I have it in my watch portfolio. LPT, 60% up, awesome. Pooloo, Kevin Hop. What about Pooloo? What do you want to know? Didn't I cover it yesterday? Hey, Ramen. Good afternoon, Martin. I have a stock review lower down your list for TMF. Please, can I change the review to HLF? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. It is James 007. Oh, you're near the top of the list. Ooh, James 007 is near the top of the list. Yes, you can. Please, can I change HLF? I need the name and the ticker, and you've done that. Herbal Life. Herbal Life Nutrition. Yes, you can. You're like near top of the list. And if the people above you, only a couple above you, aren't here when I make it, you'll get your review. All right? Anyway, Lucas Mullen, alert at 22%. You got to remember, though, folks, Mullen can go up so much, it doesn't mean anything. The company's ridiculous. 23%. It doesn't mean anything. Look, it doesn't mean anything. It's like someone's dead on the operating table, right? They're dead, completely dead, and then they like blink an eye, but it's just a reflex. It doesn't count, right? It's great they're up 23%, but it's down a gazillion percent. It doesn't matter. Don't buy it because of that. It's done to manipulate you. Dave Mitchery runs a scam company designed to take everyone's money. We've proved it. We've researched it over and over again. Do not touch it. Momo, good morning. Good morning, Martin. Just finished watching your review. Which one, Momo? Momo the Great. Which review? Oh, at HOLO? Did you watch HOLO? What's HOLO doing today? HOLO. MicroCloud. Oh, they're 117%. Oh, flipping heck. I need to cover this then. Interesting. I am following Dawn now. XRP. One in Hasbro. 30. One in Hasbro. What do you mean one? And what does 30 mean? What does 1 and 30 mean? What do all these numbers mean in Hasbro? Eric, you're going to... I don't get it. I don't get what's going on. I see. I got 3,000. Is that what it is? One share? I don't know what it means. Became a member. Lim Derek. Yo Martin. Actually up 8.9%. Just because of Zalando. Did you do the review? Morten Hagen. How did you miss it? Morten Hagen is here. Morten Hagen. Are you still here? Morten Hagen. Flipping heck, Morten Hagen. I've been calling you out. Where are you? Where's Morten Hagen? Bloody hell, mate. Look, Martyn Lucas. Go into the search bar. You don't need me to tell you. You can check it yourself. Did I do Zalando? Yes. Look. Look. There it is. There's your review. There. Since I started talking about it, the stock's going up. Everyone's making money again. Happens every time. It's like magic, isn't it? Right, Zalando. Do you want the link for it? Have you promoted it yet on YouTube? Share. Copy link. Look, have you promoted it yet? Here is the link. There is the link in the chat. What you do is you go underneath the video. All right, there is the video. What you do, you go under the video, not a super chat, it's a super thanks. If you want to do that, this is what a super thanks looks like. You can do it for a couple of bucks. You can leave a comment. Now, YouTube make a bit of money out of that. They get like 17% commission on a super chat or a super thanks. So they earn money. So they might suggest it because it's making them money, right? Makes sense, doesn't it? Right, so do a super thanks if you want to. You don't have to, right? But do it anyway, right? I'll have a cup of coffee. You'll get a promoted video. You'll make more money. Google will make more money. All the shares will go up. Everybody wins, right? But if you put a comment under the video with a link or something that you want to promote, I will promote it for you. Now, it's not a complete review like my others because there was very limited information. There wasn't enough information to be able to do a full review. I've done the best I can, but there wasn't everything available, just so you know. Anyway, there is your review. I've given you the link in the chat. All right. Has Zalando moved? Oh, yeah, of course. It's not on. I can't get it on YouTube. I can't get it on Robinhood. That was part of the problem. I looked up Dawn. Oh, yeah. Have you not done it yet? If you just missed this, this is something we're doing here for Dawn. We're making Dawn the biggest stock reviewer on X. There is the link. There is the link. I've just given it to everybody. I'll do it again. Dawn link. Whoopsie daisy. I explained why. Dawn link. Everybody got it? Let me give it to my rumblers. I've already given it to you. Right. Let's see how many followers she's got now. We just started. She just started day one on X. 54321. She had 8. She's now got 9. Excellent. Oh, she's posting. She's posting, and I've not had a chance to like it yet. Flipping heck, Dawn. So let's give Dawn 100% engagement rate on her channel. Like everything. Literally like everything. Follow everything. And let's make Dawn. Look, she's got all these followers. Look, all the likes. Dawn might do a competition for the most engaged fan as well. So there you go. There's me and 2 others. That's probably Fight Channel. Maybe Jason Fallon or Mike. So we should have 4 likes for every one of these. We should have 4. Because I do it, Mike will do it, Jason Fallon will do it, and Mike Fight Channel, and Fight Channel. There's at least 4 likes for every single one. We're going to make Dawn the most successful stock reviewer on X. No doubt about it. She got banned from the other group for sharing great stuff, and now we're going to make her more famous than them. And we'll do that for anybody else as well that does a great channel like this. I will support you. All right? You missed your meme in the breakfast bar. Breakfast bar. What have I missed? What have I missed? Breakfast bar. What meme? Hang on, what's this? I've got like this. Look at this. Eric B. It's easy to make money in the stock market. The hard part is to keep it. Hey, Eric B, do you know what you want to do, mate? You want to share that because Dawn will let you do it. Eric B, I want to see that shared onto Dawn's X account. Go and do it. She's bound to let you do it because she is running it properly. Not like that silly group who goes, no one can share anything. Go and share that. It's easy to make money on the stock market. The hard part is to keep it. There you go. Go and share that. And I will like it and share it everywhere. All right. And you'll have the most popular post on her account. Hasbro. It hasn't, has it? Hasbro hasn't moved since I spoke about it, has it? It hasn't. Has it? No. Well, has it come up since then? I don't know if I did the review then. Did I? If I did it then, I'll take... It's not. It hasn't. It's got nothing to do with me. Interest rate in England today. It's not the interest rate. It's the recession in England, and it's the PPI in America. That's what's driven the markets down. Today will go up in March or so. Yes, it's my birthday. I turned 13 yesterday. Well, you're not a member. Sorry, it's for the members. We do birthday celebrations. Rallo won. It's his birthday, I think, but he's not to ask for his birthday, so we can't do it. Hey, Martin, where's Planet Labs on the list? Where's Planet Labs on the list? Let me have a look. It's for Kevin B. It's 3/4 of the way down. Morton Hagen. HOLO stock. What are we doing? Okay, HOLO stock. All right, HOLO stock has been mentioned. HOLO. Let's do it. Bloody hell, everybody, what's going on? HOLO. Here we go. HOLO. No, that's not it. HOLO. Dawn's channel is going nuts. Great. I love it. Okay, here we go. Okay. HOLO. Hello. Yeah, I'm on show. What's up? Oh, it's okay if you want me. My wife's Leah just going. She didn't realize I was on the show. Just checking some information here. Latest news. Looking at HOLO. Okay, here we go. Just bear with me. MicroCloud. Competitive. February the 16th. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We're talking about... Oh,
What
hang
are you
on.
thinking, Martin? Do we hold or sell?
This is HOLO, MicroCloud Hologram. Should we buy? Should we sell? What's going on right now? Let me cover this. If you just join the channel, click subscribe, ring the bell. This video will rank #1 for HOLO within about 24 hours. If you share it out, link it, social media, all our videos are ranking now for this stock. HOLO right now is going absolutely nuts. Should you hold it? Should you sell? This is not financial advice, but let's have a look at it. Let's get some perspective, and also let's look at the valuation and the news around the stock. So first of all, as we look at this, we're going to see what was said here just a short while ago. Let's have a look at this.
Bill and Steve, great to have you back. I think
CEO.
it was you that mentioned this improvement in digital cytology is the biggest advancement in, what, 4 or so decades?
Yes, Carl, we're incredibly excited. As you know, there's been so much hype around AI, but this is a product we've been working on for years that actually brings AI to the cytology world, which in simple terms, just to put this in for your people who watch, is in the traditional PAP test, it goes onto slides, people are looking through microscopes. Now what we can do is digitize those and immediately run it through our AI detection and have the cytologist go right to a slide where there may or may not be a precancerous or a cancerous condition. So it's the embodiment of what AI can bring really to the healthcare world.
How widespread is the availability of this now? How many innings are we in here, Steve?
It just got cleared last week, so we're literally in the early stages of launching. So this will roll out over the next year or so in the United States. We have it on the market already in some countries in Europe where it's become very widespread, and we're seeing, it's great for the patient because we're picking up more cancers. We're also reducing false negatives, so they don't even need to be called back. And it's a huge workflow advantage. So that's where our biggest customers in the United States are already lapping it, ready to get on with it.
What about the other screenings, Steve? What about mammograms or pap smears? Can you incorporate AI into reading results and increasing outcomes and accuracy in all of this?
It's exactly what we've been working on, Sarah. So we're bringing, if you think about both mammography and the PAP, which is really our digital cytology, it is pattern recognition. So it's great for computers to be able to do the work that humans have been toiling. And I always think about the human component. If you think about a radiologist reading, 8 hours of mammograms, at the end of the day, you're a little tired. A machine can keep doing that and then just help the radiologist say, hey, let's go to slide 42 or whatever it might be. And so we see it as a huge win for, frankly, the workflow and therefore the patient outcomes as well as the cost to the system.
What's happening in trends in women's health, Steve? I've seen some recent stuff.
So we're looking at some of this now. Let me go further into... That's Holix, HOLX. We're actually looking at the wrong stock there. I apologize. I thought that was HOLO. It wasn't. I thought that was a bit strange. Let me redo this. I apologize for that. I was on the wrong stock. I was looking at the wrong stock. Scrub that. That was incredible. But that's not what I was looking at. Just bear with me 1 second. I will redo that. 84. This is happening very, very quick. Just bear with me a minute. That needs to be updated. It's moving too quick. It's moving too quick. 60, yeah, it's moving too quick. 67. Right, okay. 57. Bear with me. Sorry, Chase Markov. I beg your pardon. That was the wrong stock. So we're just doing this again. 84.73. Let's do the numbers. overvalued now. 57 best case scenario, 37%, 66% overvalued. The revenue is down. The balance sheet is 82 million. The balance sheet number is no debt, 82 million. 55% solvency, 29% profitability. Short interest, 1.29. Okay. HOLO. Right, we'll try that again. Okay. I've got too many comments to compete with, to deal with, so I'm gonna have to go members only for this video because there's too many comments now. So I'm gonna go members only, and sorry about that, but I have to make this video. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We're looking at HOLO, MicroCloud Hologram. Is it a buy, sell? We just reviewed this stock a few days ago. Right now, I'm looking at it very, very closely, and I'm thinking there's heavy manipulation here. The movement of the stock. Let me just, I'm literally researching it live for you as I'm doing this. It's still going up, but it doesn't actually make any sense right now. I would actually be selling this stock if I was owning it. I would never buy anything like this. We are up now, if we look at the limit, we are up 1,300% in 3 months. We've made 3,800% in just 1 month. 1 month, we've made 3,848%. Today, we're up 190%. Now, can this stock keep going up? Can it take this amount of price action? Let me have a quick look, and we're looking at the balance sheet, the numbers, the intrinsic value. I don't think it's really making sense to go this high. There's no real news that I can find around the stock at the moment. We're now, let me share with you the numbers. We are 57% overvaluation now, and that was at the price, which is going up so quick, was at 67. So we're now about 100% overvaluation now. It's literally doubled in value. It makes no sense to be there. Worst case scenario was 66%. We're over 120% overvaluation now if we include where the price is going. It's going crazy. So be very, very careful. The balance sheet, the revenue is down on the last order. On the last range, it was down -6%. The operating income was down. The net income was down. The free cash flow was down. If we look at the balance sheet, we got 253 million in assets, 82 in liabilities. That's okay. No long-term debt, so that's okay. The efficiency of the company is losing money apart from gross margin is 46%. The profitability is 29%, so it's in the red there. The solvency score, it's not going to go bust anytime soon, but 55% solvency, so that's quite good. The short interest is only 1.29, so it's not a short squeeze. This is just massive amounts of volume on this stock at the moment. So, should you be selling it now? I would be selling it absolutely 100%. What I would do, this is how I would play this stock. Right now, if I was in this stock, we're now at 3,900% in the last month. If we look at in the last week, 464%. 1 day, 192%. This is absolutely ridiculous. What I would be doing if I was in this stock right now, how I would play this stock right now, is I would set myself a stop trail order. A stop trail order of somewhere in the region of 20%. I would allow it to drop 20% because even though it looks like it's going straight up, it's moving very, very quickly within those trades, very, very quickly. So I would set a stop trail order of 20%. That way it could go for 192 now down to 172 and still be in because this stock could drop like a stone. You have made more money than you will make on the S&P, the 500 best companies in the world in a lifetime. in a lifetime. If we look at the 1 month, it's 3,738%. You have made more money than 500 best companies in the world in a lifetime. Why would you not sell? I put that down to you like if you went to a casino and you put all your money on red and you won, would you do it again? Would you put it all on it again? No, and there it goes. Look, it's starting to trim off. I've no idea. It's massively overbought now, massively overvalued. It makes no sense to be here. If we look at all the numbers, let me see if there's any information at all coming out that I've missed. Let me just double check a second. I keep looking for more information. Nothing's coming out to substantiate why it's going up, so I can't say anything. Let's have a look. MicroCloud, Hologram, there's no news there at all. 3 hours ago, what have we got there? There's no information there. I'm just trying to see if there's any information about it at all, why it would be going up. No, that's a couple of weeks ago, so it's no good there. Their latest news, there's nothing. There's no news at all. If we look at nothing coming out of anywhere that I can see. So, as far as I'm concerned, it's a huge pump here. Makes no sense from a valuation point of view. I would be selling it. At the end of the day, you've made as much money in a lifetime on the S&P in, is it a month or a week? Let me just check. I think it's, yes, it's in a month. If you're not going to sell that now, when would you ever sell a stock? Can it carry on? Don't get greedy. Why would you let it just carry on going when you can make this much money this easily without doing anything? The stock price was $1.90, $1.70, $1.53, and now it's $88. That's the greatest trade you'll ever make in your life. That's incredible. Absolutely incredible. And if we look at it, it's done exactly the same thing here. Look, it went all the way to 98 before, 106. It's getting close to that level again. Now, remember, this is the level it went before. So what will happen here now, you'll have traders, scalpers, setting levels around here. So as it gets near to this level here, people will think it's going to drop. There's no valuation for it. There's no sense it's going to be up this level. It makes no sense whatsoever. So why would you hold it as it approaches that number? We'll keep watching it because I reckon all of a sudden it will drop. It's already going. I wish I'd made that bloody trade. MSK saying incredible. You'd literally make as much money in a lifetime on the S&P. Absolutely. That's how to get rich in minutes. Well, I say minutes, it's actually over a month, but nevertheless, it's starting to go now because it's starting to hit the point where it's sold off before. And it's done it several times. Look at it. It's done it several times, and each time has declined. Look, lower, lower, lower each time. Now, that doesn't mean anything. I'm not saying, this is a crystal ball and whatever it's done before, it's going to do it again. But there it goes. I'm saying sell it, sell it, sell it, get out of it. You've made an absolute fortune. Why on earth would you sit around and wait? This is very, very exciting stuff. I cannot believe that anyone would be still in the stock. But of course, people are still in the stock. They're holding it. They think it can run forever, but it can't. Wow. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to end this video right there and wish everyone the very best of luck. If you want my further information on HOLO, I've done a review on it. Click above my head, down below in the description. Over here, you'll find more information. It's running again, 93. Now it's coming up to the point where it should pop. It did it before, 94. 90, who the heck is buying this? Look, it's right at that point again. Right at the point now. 93, last time it popped, right there. Is it gonna break live in the show? I can't stick with it, I'm afraid. I'll have to go, but it does look like we're hitting that. We're bouncing off it. We're getting some resistance now. Let's see on the buy orders. The buy orders. It's now in the RSI as overbought, massively overbought. Let me look on level 2 data, see if anyone's buying it. That is very manipulated. Remember, you can't really tell what's going on there. Don't use that as a guide. It's manipulated very much so. Starting to go. What's it going to do? Keep our eye on it. Overbought on the RSI. I would imagine any moment. Why would you stick around? You've made like 4,000%. 3,780 in a month. Why on earth would you stick around at this level? We're going to stay with it because we're right on the point. Incredible scenes. I've never seen anything like it. This is absolutely ridiculous. The balance sheet doesn't make it. I'm trying to find anything at all that would substantiate it, and there's absolutely nothing. This is not a short squeeze, 100% not a short squeeze. We do not have enough short positions. We only have on it at 1.29. This is purely people buying out of greed, thinking it can go on forever. And remember the GameStop squeeze, this is not a squeeze. Only a few people made money. Most people got left holding a rubbish company and overpaying for it. Is that going to be you this time? $90, 90 cents, all from $1.50. Incredible. We'll stay with it just for a moment. We're going to keep our eye on it. Wow. 91. We might have to come back and do a follow-up, but I am keeping my eye on this as long as I can. I can't really stay on it forever, but this is ridiculous. Let's watch what it does. 88. In the comments now, are you in HOLO? I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll put out a link right now. Here we go. I'll post this right now. As we watch it, let me get the army on it. Okay, so here we go. We're going to post this now. HOLO. We are covering this live. Live now on YouTube. Are you in? Okay. 88. I expect it to suddenly crash. That's what I expect to happen. Here we go. Let me post it now. Are you in? Let's see what happens. HOLO. MicroCloud. Incredible scenes. MicroCloud. Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay, there we go. I think that's all we need. Are you in? Vote in poll. Vote in poll. Let's see who's in. Let's see who's in this stock. So this is what. There it goes. There it goes. Just like I said. Flipping heck. Let's see how quickly it goes down. Let's see how quickly it goes down. Are you in? Vote in poll. Let me. Yes or no. There's no undecided with this one. It's just yes or no. Are you in? There we go. Vote in poll. Let me quickly post that. Let's see what everyone's doing. Are you in? Are you selling? I would say sell. I'm going to post that again. For goodness. There you go. I'm going to tell everyone to sell it. For goodness sake, sell. For goodness sake, sell. More profit than a lifetime on the S&P. Why would you not sell that? No real value. No real value here. Okay, there you go. Cover that there. I hope I've done it right. I've rushed it a bit, but I hope I have. I hope I've done it right. Did I put the poll in? Damn it, I didn't put the poll in. Yes, I did. Hang on. Did I do it right? Trying to do too many things at once. Oh, yes, I did. Yes, I did. Put it on StockTwits as well. Post. If you want my StockTwits account, it's below the video. And, of course, here on the Facebook page. Very quickly. Is it going back down? Yep, it's going back down. Exactly as I said it would. Flipping ridiculous. Why on earth would you sit around? I hope everyone's taking profits. Why don't you sell it? What are you waiting for? What is it you're waiting for? Have you not made enough money? Is 4,000% not enough? It's more money than you'll make in a lifetime on the S&P. Why would you not sell that? That's how people get, that's how, what's it, pigs get fat and what do they call it? Hogs get slaughtered. Is that the word I'm looking for? Right, we're just putting this out everywhere so everyone can take part in it. So then, there we go. I'll edit the video down. HOLO, what time was that made? Flipping out, that was 2 hours, I think. Bloody hell. That's 3 hours. Heck, I've lost all time today. 3 hours HOLO. Edit at end. So there we go. HOLO is starting to go down. We are running a poll right now on X and my StockTwits, Facebook, all my pages and groups. I've said, for goodness sake, get out of it. You've made as much money in a lifetime on the S&P here in just a month. Why would you hold it? The intrinsic value, the balance sheet, nothing makes sense why it's up there. Can it go on forever? Well, no, it can't. Will it carry on? It might do. Does it matter if you've made so much money? Remember, it's now approaching the level it's hit 3 times before and then crashed immediately. Why would you sit around? I hope all my members have taken huge profits and got out. I wish everyone the best. Click above my head, down below. Go and vote on my poll on X and see what you think. Are you in? Are you out of the stock? What's going on? Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, bloody hell. I am in HOLO and is making me money. I've got take the bloody profit. Unbelievable. No, it's gone down a bit, but not much. Anyway, I've got to get off. I've got so many videos now to sort out. This is just ridiculous. I've got to get off. We got some great information from Ed Nevius education videos today. Please go and check those out. Some great content that Ed has added in here today. If you want to know about scalp trading, Ed Nevius is the man. Go and have a look. Some great, great stuff. Derek Lim, hi Martin, really enjoyed sharing, but just 2 cents on my thoughts. Which do you have to trade? Which you don't have to agree with me? I think you are too pro-Chinese. Too pro-Chinese, not your fault, as you are not in our region. Too pro-Chinese. I agree with you. China is very controlled, but UK, USA has their own issues. You always say you want to be neutral, so I feel you need to look at Asia in a more neutral way to make your channel really more neutral. Just 2 cents of my thoughts, and no offense intended. I really like you, still love your channel, and just contribute what I see your channel gets better only. Derek Lim, I take your point. I just answered in the show. I take your point. I take your point. Is Derek Glim in the show? I just answered his question. I want to make sure he knows I answered him. There it goes. It's crashing all the way down. Right, I've got to get these videos out. I haven't got time to do anything else. I've got so much to do. Let me make sure. Did everyone tap the like button today? Did everyone tap the like? Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Let's get out of here quick. Here we go. Day Trader of the Day. Everyone smash the like button.
1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly
Here we go.
harmony.
Everyone's made a lot of money today. 59 watching. 55 likes. Refresh in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 55 likes. 57. We need 60 likes. Nah, we won't get that. That's good. 57. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 57. That'll do for me. Okay. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. It's crashing exactly where I said it would. Down she goes. MicroCloud hologram. Down it goes. Someone's going to get left whole in the bag. Absolutely ridiculous. All the way back down again. There it goes. Crashing down from nearly $90 to $69 in a matter of seconds. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, are you up? Are you down today? I am green. I am completely flat. I'm flat. What's your score? Flat percentage. Are you up? Are you down? Let's roll the credits. There it goes. MicroCloud hologram. MicroCloud hologram is now going down. I hope you took your profits all the way back down again. Be very, very careful. I told you right at the moment to sell it at that $90. I hope all my members took profit. Incredible scenes. Click above my head, down here, over here, over here. More information. Get out. You've made more money on this one stock in a month than you'd make in a lifetime. And 500 of the best companies in the world. I wish everybody the best. Okay, that will go out. Here's the scores. Roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Down 1.5, down 0.2. I got a partial and I'll buy some shares off the floor. Kevin B, flat. The winner is, who's the winner? Who scored? Lim Derrick. Super chats, Lance Trent, Lim Derrick, Chase Markov. Thank you very much indeed for all your support today. I hope you enjoy the higher quality broadcast. Now in 5K subscribers, Alexandra, Ant, Jeff, Richard, West Oaks, Jackie Lou, Chase, Dr. Francisco, Faisal Kakari, members, Lim Derrick, Lance Trent, Lim Derrick, Chase Markov. Who is up today? Nobody up today. I am up 0.03. I am up 0.03. That makes me the winner. I am the winner today. That makes me the winner. Yes! I am the winner today. Making money today. Always make money. Thank you ever so much indeed. Tap the like button. How many subscribers today? Let's have a quick look. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, 13,000 likes, 13,000 views, and 16,329. It's 1,000 subscribers a week. We are on fire. I am loving it. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. Thanks for being part of the show. I will see you back for the closing bell this afternoon. I love it. Best job in the world. Thank you ever so much indeed. See you all back in a bit. Today, I want to thank, as the music fades out, I want to thank everyone. Jonas Van Haver. Did Martin block me? No, Jonas, you are here in the chat. You are with me in the chat, one of our members. Jonas is just saying, did you block me? No, I didn't block you. You're live in the chat. I can put you on the screen and show you. There you are. there you are. You're not blocked. You're a member of our channel. There you are. All right. That's it. You must not have invested in HOLO. Well, that's it from me. I just want to say today has been an incredible day. I want to thank everyone again for giving us the best job in the world. One of the fastest growing channels on YouTube. We cannot believe it. We've got, hang on a minute. We're saying congratulations, Jonas. What happened? Why congratulations to Jonas? He's not blocked. What's going on? Oh, Jonas, I missed it. That's what you're talking about. I missed that. I apologize. Jonas, did you block me? No, of course I didn't block you. I just didn't see it. Where is it? There we go. Up 0.5%. I'm sorry. You are the winner. I missed it. I apologize. You are the winner. Thank you. Not me. I never block you, mate. Why would I block you? You're always a great member of our channel. No, I'm sorry about that. I didn't see you. My apologies. Folks, we've come to the end of the show. I've got to get off. More reviews this afternoon. It is our music concert tonight. I hope you'll all join me. Let me put this link at this show right now to go to the music concert tonight. Tonight we might do it. We might do a special one tonight for a new party. I've got an idea. Let me see. Is it set for tonight, February the 16th? Yep, there it is. It's all set. This show will go directly to it. There is my music channel. If you've not yet subscribed to my music channel, there it is. And there's the member link, and there's the all links button. Here is the music concert tonight. If you do want to join me, this is tonight's event. Please do. That's live tonight. Let me give you the link for it. Here it comes. Here's the link for our music concert tonight. You don't want to miss it. Live everywhere tonight. And let me give you the link here as well. There you go. There is the link. Everyone's got that. Hopefully you'll join me. Be the first to leave a comment. I'm the first person to like it. Leave a comment in the live chat. Make it go to live chat. Leave the comments here. And hi all. There you go. I'm the first person. Go and leave a comment there and join us tonight for that. I've got these videos to get out. Thank you. This was the day today where we got our new winner. Jason Fallon from Australia has become the new winner of the best trophy. His name will now be engraved on the trophy. Printed, but engraved sounds better. It'll be printed onto there, and that's great. And this is also the day we started broadcasting in 4K to bring you an even better experience. Thank you ever so much indeed, guys. You are the absolute best, and I look forward to seeing you all this afternoon. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves, your money, your crypto. Most importantly, take care of each other. Bye-bye for